Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. In case you don't know here, New York City is the hottest it has been today and for the next several days apparently. Ellie, big up yourself. Is the hottest it has been in a long time, more than a decade, like 11, 13 years and whatever, you know? So New York City, to boil up over here, man. Beer things, when you go out on the road and whatever, it's like, you know? The heat just grab you and drape you up, you know. Wicked something. But I just want to know, so New York City hot today. And this a place that when heat there, you know, you have to be careful, you know, because it will fling you down. You understand? Greetings. Hello.
Raga,
Wagwan.
how you doing?
You know, so I'm good. Blessing just a box, my son.
Yeah, listen, I grew up listening to you. That's crazy. My mother used to listen to you all the time on the radio. She now the outside clean, she's driving, you on the radio in the car, and now I'm old enough to oh my
She says, and now I'm old enough to be listening to you by myself. Oh my God.
I just want to big up yourself, all right?
Blessings, man. Enough
All
love
right,
here.
then.
Yeah, man. Cool. Yes, I. Greetings.
Blessings, Raga.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Been a watch out. Been that listening program for the radio over the years.
Yeah.
All right, and the first my kind of ask you.
All right.
I look a Bona Mixup,
Yeah, man. We hear it.
and I really life story.
Yeah.
All right. Me live in the age with my virgin then, you know.
Yeah.
So when I was late 20s,
Yeah.
so when I my virgin then, oh you know, see, so we build a boat shop, give baby mother for one run,
You be like, what kind of shop?
and I mean, you know, my virgin,
Yeah.
he build a boat shop.
A board shop?
Yeah, man, a boat shop.
Okay. All right.
They must sell goods in like dry stuff, juice and something.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So you know, say, you might forgot the wholesale, you get tax and something, buy up in goods. Then.
Right.
So, and been around the business for roughly about, let me say now, 4 weeks, but a month hard.
Mm-hmm.
I think I got good with them baby mother and something, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I say? So, at one point, I'm going to buy goods and him going to buy goods. So, everything I got smooth.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Watch a style I know.
Yeah.
At one point, the baby mother started pack up slippers and shoes one side in a bag.
The baby mother start do what? Pack up what?
Pack up slippers and shoes.
Yeah.
Like pick them slippers and shoes
Yeah.
in a bag, put one side in the house.
Yeah.
So if I ask her what really go on, why should I do all of that? She say, yo, she can't but I feel like everything, so my carry over in the bag. So if they want a pink slippers, she will take it out and give them. You get what I say?
Yeah. All right. Turn down your phone a little bit, yeah?
Yeah, I forgot somebody teach her that yesterday. Big up.
Yeah, I see you sound better already. Bombard star, boy. Have a big up Glen Ryan, you know. Yeah, man. All right, go through.
So based on she take out slippers out of the bag when she want to go all the kids up and thing. You might wonder what really go on cash up, bag up slippers them and she pack up clothes at the same time.
Yeah.
But she's smart because the shop around save and she do her thing, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I mean I tell you so one particular Saturday, you know, Raga.
Mm-hmm.
Big up man thing up, you know my feel for the dog. You know, so she and them got the wholesale go buy a whole heap of goods for the shop. Cause my mama tell us it around about a month hard, you know, so they make her money now.
Yeah.
So them take the whole of the money when I want to go one big shop now, the whole safe go buy up and stack out the shop.
Yeah.
You know, so the Saturday man them rise early and go buy out at the wholesale and stack out the shop wicked, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You see Saturday night Raga?
Yeah.
Oh gosh, man. I tell us about 3 doses category and baby mother. 3 rounds. Knock him out.
What you mean?
3 rounds a Ray, man.
What sort out?
Yeah, man.
She dash it out on him.
Yeah, man, she give 3 rounds a sort out, man. Wicked, man, till him knock out.
Till him, yeah.
But, yo, man, I tell her, I guess it's Sunday evening, midday when him rise.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, gosh, man, pick me and baby, man, I have a thing gone, man, clothes gone.
Why? What did happen?
Yeah, go on, man. You see the same wholesale, she go buy the goods, them.
Yeah.
She book a man from up there. So the man have a bigger shop.
Jano.
And you know the worst thing too?
Yeah.
As I'm tell you some years ago, you know, I went macadam and black as in the sand, but burn him in a
Take man pan him and thing like that.
Make him run when him eye them shut. So the part then I used to burn him cause when him asleep she cut.
Jano man and put on 3 round pan him and thing and just
Yeah man, she put on 3 round
empty the shop and thing and everything with the pit in them and thing and Lego.
And Lego, so during them time, I should have pack up clothes and boot and him feel like a teacher and keep the place clean. Them time I should plan our way out.
But here what I say now. I mean I make no excuse, you know, cause I ever burn out the woman them because I always say, we're not going like say woman can wicked too. Because every time when woman do something wicked, the first thing out enough woman mount, you know, is like, so I want him to make she do that. And them not say that about man, you know. When man do wicked thing, you know, hear the woman them say, oh, then I wish she do for make him do that, you know. But every time woman do something wicked, they always hear them, then I want him do for make she do that and whatever. So, me not defend or whatever, but since I your brethren, me want you keep it 100 now. And tell me if you know of reasons why she did reach for that level and say, you know, so I need to take myself on the man, yeah?
No, you know what's a big woman things I better work hard though. I'm not going to tell a lie, but that's my brethren.
Yeah.
That's how I feel it for him after a while, because him that go and good at do him for do, you get me?
But him did you know have him and her have anything where him did that do road and thing, him did a while out and thing or whatever.
No, never do road G, because watch out now, he may give on next side of family and him come on our side of the road for a couple of years. Well, so but they don't see them and go and good. So when the shop bill now, me say it's a plus to him that because them have 2 youth.
Yeah.
So by the time the shop bill now and them start buy up things, they tell us about a month and a half now. The shop run good. So when the shop runs good for a month and a half now, the big money they know, and just take it for go buy one big stack out the whole shop. So when they do that, the Saturday and stack out the shop. You may tell us that the Saturday night you give me a dose of sex right through, man.
3 round and thing, knock out the dog. Yeah.
Yeah. And when they check her stock now, she live our next community with the next dog have a bigger wholesale, you know.
So when the man when she run with to, him have a wholesale too, a bigger wholesale.
Yeah, well, a shop. Because you know, so the China go say them buy things, so him have a bigger shop, field stock, shop up more.
But hold on, a female youth them?
Yeah.
The youth them what she like with?
Yeah.
I know why you feel that way, you know, but something else in that story the way, I don't know. For a woman, for a man to do right by her, right?
Yeah.
And him the father picking them, right?
I got, remember, you know, 7 brothers, 7 different man, every stick at them over bush. Woman leave for what them choose to or what them want, you know. You get me, I say, and to my knowledge, people that deal with that good. I might tell us that them keep on dance for the blood that open up in the shop and all them stuff. So things in that turn. I never used to talk no.
You know what? May I listen to you, you sound like you know, you're a reasoner. You know what is interesting? May I say a whole heap of woman on social media now, you know. Literally I come out and I say, boy, you know, say me left a good man and thing, and you know, me really disrespect a good man and the best man that, and not only that, you have anybody can tell you, me see a bunch of women and make video right now and I say, my man is perfect, but me don't want to deal with him anymore. Him give me everything me want and this and that and what, but he's such a good man that, you know, I want more out of life. I want. So
the more she wants, she could have been with him same here. And that we can't understand the woman, then I'm confused.
But what you think I go on? Because, Mark, you know, you have another set of woman, you know, who you're dead for them, and them not turn them back on you, all if them a go burn you. Them a say, no that man you call that man you dead for me and whatever, so me nah, that man you roll with me and whatever. You could, your Benz, your brand new Benz could have look good, look more and whatever. Yeah, you have more money than my man, but my man, what him do for me, me nah so and so and so, right? But when me I say, you have another set of woman out there right you know, them just get bored with good man. What go on? What you think I go on this?
Well, I mean, I know that sometimes some of them I work off of the hype and the vibes and walk around the place and all.
What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?
I know. I going to say, look, man, them I work off of. Some people are drawing out of likes and this, that. No. I remember back then, so look, man, now the certain things, you know, but for me to run the place, I'm going to join and fall in.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah. But something
So
I go on.
sometimes I give a woman all the world, she was still left country, you know.
Exactly.
But I can tell a man still, you know, you say if you're married today,
Yeah.
check yourself if your wife left tomorrow, it a mash up. Because at the end of the day, anything can pop up and happen to you again. So you don't set yourself where you're going to mash up, you know.
Well, that is a woman thing, you know. So, you know, nothing wrong if man thinks so too.
Well, as someone to think right too, don't fall for a woman and then when shit happen, no, you find see a mash up and I go out a bag of crap. A woman quick to say, man, you come bother with this or that.
No, but you see something, me don't know what, me I listen to the meds where you give me a partner, and for she plan this thing, yeah, pack up things and, you know, and set him up for say, she want him to stack out this tour within a big, like a major stack out where, upon a level where them never do before.
So now that,
I remember she go to a man who have more, you know.
Yeah.
But even though she go to a man who have more, she go out her way to take everything where she can take from him before she leave.
Before she leave,
carry the two picnic where them have together and gone over the other man and thing and whatever.
Yeah.
Something else did that dog. I don't know. Something else did that go on this and make she sit down and plot and scheme that. Or no, it could be that she and a man yeah, a man now step to her and cause you know some of them man you know, them will step to woman and thing and whatever and then we start tell the woman you need to left that man. What you do with him? I mean if you come there with man and what you know? You have man who do them something there.
I that go on too and then she says a few place kind of stack out and wait.
Yeah, and big and say no, I can do better for you. You know, see the boy there and whatever this and that, a woman like whatever, and things. So you have woman who fall for them something there, you know. So well, it did work out with she and the other man.
Well, if you look a while, you know.
And then what?
That the man that my brethren go back a country, you know.
Your brethren go back a country.
Yeah, man, him couldn't take it, man.
No, hold on. Tell me what did happen to him after she do that. Like, how it did impact him.
All right, here go on. After she do that, then him go around the shop and look a while. But me see new shit to that hurt him. Cause I remember them time the Macadam and the Blacker song around. So people used to see my joke and I say, make a run when me eye them shut, you know.
Jano.
So that mash him up wicked. So he may not have a cut.
Yeah.
You see, but she did one different, one different community, so all has to she. You get me answer, but he may have to take away himself because it never good for him, I tell you.
Yeah.
So even from them time as a man, I work my wife when it come on to woman, man. You can't tell yourself, say, yo, you gotta stick with that woman now. Anything can pop up here, man. Because woman left for many different reasons. You could have given her the world, and she still want cut.
So hold on. So that is your lesson from something like this, right?
No, me learn my lesson different from me about 17 now.
What you mean?
No, me learn my thing from me at 17. Me know me just left high school and I have a girlfriend where check for me like crazy and me there work and I drive a forklift. So it I make night, so me never answer her call, you see me? And then I hear me tell some just left high school and I work, you know.
Yeah.
And the time about 3-4 times and I never get to answer the call. And the 4th time I answer, the day time I say, yo, I hit that. Oh gosh, Raga man, for you whole day I couldn't work. Yeah, I tell you, it mash up my head. So, you see, by the time I reach home in the evening,
Yeah.
I can tell me say a joke, Shame. So that for me open my eye, because you see the feelings when me get for the entire day.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, Raga man. But me,
Yeah.
never again.
She did a play games with you and a machine.
Yeah, but you see the feelings when I get for the entire day. I
Yeah.
tell myself, say, yo, as after day that, I have to set myself where I can't afford to reach a state and feel a type of way there again.
Oh, so for she say she love you and you love her so much and you out there on the work and thing and for she call and she call you 3 times and not hear you and thing and whatever
Yeah.
and then just go say, we're done. Relationship done. And the impact with that have on you emotionally and how it mash you up for the rest of the day and whatever. And for you go home now and tell her no and she just trivially say, no, do what me did I make? And whatever. It assures she it's like she should have you locked certain way where she can run them serious joke the way they are, you know? And thing down.
And from that, I learn, so watch this. Now, a woman say she love you, she will do the one thing and clamp your style. So that little move there alone,
Yeah.
I understand how woman operate and any shit can play at any time.
So, am I, if what I'm hearing from you, are you saying that never fully trust a woman?
Trust her to an extent where you know, say, yo, you got trust her, no, but as I said, you set yourself where if you move, it will mash up.
Right.
And from that incident, let me set myself. When I say a woman can't rain, but I set myself where it not gonna bother me a lot.
No, you know, say what you are say is when align with me, you know, like me always I tell them, you know, the rest of them say, never fall in love, stand in love.
Stand in love.
Yeah, and that mean them not say you're not for love, you can't love. But now about falling at this Hollywood thing and them romance novel thing about you are my everything and without you I'm nothing. Me nah there with no woman without she me are nothing. When
No,
she step me are still something. You understand? Me nah there with no woman. Me nah in a romance thing and me no know what would I do without you. If you're gone, me good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
if you're gone, me good. Know that. Right? Yeah, if me and you juggle and we involve and whatever, know that if you step, me good. Right? And if you want to go on. Me not run back here and I do them step in Hollywood. Oh, please, and whatever, and this and that, and I love you. Come back.
Run back a who?
Baby, come back. She run gone and whatever. Go on, go on.
No, shalala.
No, shalala. And when she come back, and I come and talk about, you didn't love me, because if you really love me, you didn't run for me, and whatever this and that. I say, you're right, I know, I save my calories, them for 30 out, you know, but I save my calories, them for go run back at you, you know, I don't run back at you. The only time I run back at you, unless we play a fight or play something and thing, and you tease me or whatever, I have to run it down and draw off your baggy or sitting like so. Or the two with that whoop garden and run up and down, and the time I say, come here, honey, this and that, and draw cartel lyrics, I say, kiss me, baby, I will know say we are. You understand? But from a serious thing, I'm not run back on no woman or whatever.
No, man.
Yeah. I eat it. I'm not the part of something.
I'm not saying I would push out and try my best to get her back if you know she worth it.
Yeah.
If you see which she insists she shall go, yeah, you have to just give up at one point.
Yeah, what the eye name? What your name?
Left the eye.
Left the eye. Oh, me see it. Where you call from?
In the hills, man. St. Andrew.
St. Andrew. All right, here we go.
Yeah.
Me no want you think some of us I said. You see, you see the things them when you say. I always I tell them, say, for a long time I tell some of my brethren them something, you know. And when them get older now, I see them a come run and I say, John, what dog, you know, say you ever tell her that something there and whatever, and back in that day, way. You see, everything where you say, I write there something there, you know, you see that something there where you say, no, if you think that she worth it and thing and whatever, and a misunderstanding me and they are, you know, you have look at disagreement, you make an effort. Make an effort.
Right.
And I said, B, make a work out this, come on, make a reason and thing and what. You know what I mean? Them look weird. But if she insists, say she want to go, me not fight her and whatever. You understand what I mean? I said, go on.
TM circle.
And you can't turn on and gaslight me about, oh, you just make it easy and go on. And then you want to go on. Then
she
you
want
want
go
go on, they ain't go on.
Cause you go on. You say she will want go on.
Yeah,
And you force her every minute to come and come. You say when she do come,
yeah.
she will cut for your energy given time again. Because her mind
Ah,
done there.
she
You have a force
yeah,
her.
cause
She
she
will come
won't
with her own mind.
I hear that major now. I'm gonna be surprised if you know this too, you know, based on all your reason for whatever. I hear me as a man think now, because me know woman mind works certain way. Me don't know everything. Any man tell us say them know everything about woman, I hear there, right?
That be a liar.
Yeah, but let me show you now. You see at the time when a woman come tell you say she want done,
Yeah.
you see that moment that when she tell us say she want done,
Yeah.
it's not that moment that the decision did make, you know.
No. It's like she premeditated from long time.
For a long time, she a
That she just feel the
premeditate and
courage
a
to come tell
plan.
her.
And I match it out. And I say, me left him now, walk on, bam, bam, bam. She work through it long. So you say, anyway, me a woman a deal, and she come and she tell me, say, that's one of the cardinal mistake man make, you know. Them believe, say, when a woman tell him, say, they want done, at that time, that she decide, say, she want. No, it's not at that time there. She left you a long time. You just never know. She just never tell you. She left you a long time already.
Yeah.
She did a meds it and a work her way up to it, and she go through, she even go through some uncertainty, like, is this the right idea? And talk to her friend them and whatever. So you see, by the time she reach the point where she'll tell you, she done make that decision a long time. So you see, so you see, if a woman say that to me I think that we are the two, you know. So I may start reason with her and whatever and say, Ray, and if she want go and she go and come good. You understand? But you see, true, me know say I saw them mind work. Why and here's the other thing when I not understand with people now. And listen this. This is a fundamental logic thing. It's an objective thing when I not understand with people, right? If you and somebody a deal and the person said them don't want to be with you, right? Why would you still want to be with that person who don't want to be with you?
That don't make sense. The person, as I'm saying, you can make an attempt to say the person will change their mind, but them insist no, you have to lower that because them insist them want their own.
Yeah,
but if things are not sure, you say them don't want to be around you.
How are you going to be happy with somebody who no want there with you? Who no want you even want in your mix, them no want in them present. How you gonna be happy with? I understand, like say, if you do something wrong and you in a dog house, you know, you have to kind of beg it out, cause you know say you're wrong.
Yeah, that's different.
You know say if you know you're wrong and you in a dog house, you have to go make an effort for make sure for build back our trust and confidence in you and thing like that. And you can't too hype when you do it too. Right? I mean, you can't, you don't want to go too far with that either. But when I say, if I say you're there, you see it? But this whole thing, when somebody no want there with somebody and the other person a ball and I beg them for stay, people not do them something there. Better you ball and heal.
When you push it, when you push it to that, sometimes the hurt even get worse because at the end of the day, the person will end up use you. Use
you, man. Come back in and come look sorry for sitting with you and them sitting there and whatever.
Worse if them go out and say, when them go out and it not work for them, they might end up come back to them and use and play nice to them. And them know say you weak to them already.
Yeah, I just make it like a little placeholder, you know. Because them go and look out there and thing and you just stay right there and go and take them.
Rag, let me ask you the next question. I know some more others people want to join May I ask you a question?
Yeah.
If you say every man have a weakness towards a woman.
What you mean?
Like, you know, a man have a 3, 4, 5 girl. You feel like every man have a weakness towards a woman.
If him have 3, 4, 5 woman, if him
no,
have...
man. Alright, put it away. Forget about the 3, 4, 5 woman.
Yeah.
You feel like every man have a weakness towards a particular woman. Where might deal with her or something.
No, I wouldn't say everybody, but some people do. But still not quite sure where, like...
No, I say, as a man...
if every man have a weakness to, like, one particular woman?
Yeah, one particular female, yeah.
Yeah, but here no. Remember, let me just kind of...
You burn cigarette?
No, man, no. When I say, I think I know what you're referring to, but
Yeah.
I'm gonna have time for get to that because like I said, I bring in some other people, but you see that weakness something there.
Mm-hmm.
Very often it's not about the person who them think them weak to, it's something within them where them not understanding.
That's true.
So enough time when me hear them, I say, when I have a weakness to that person, sometimes I'm the one person who never put up with them shit. Sometimes I'm the one person who did reject them, because them get, everybody else did
Yeah,
or
which
whatever.
is right.
Yeah. And then I feel that
Alright,
man, I have a weakness to that person. No, it's really your ego and the person that they put on them foot with you, and you just
I want to say weakness, but no, the people that feel like a weakness pertains that woman can take and do any little thing to and this and that. But now I refer that
no, you
way
just
then.
talk about like an emotional bond with everlasting. No care
Right,
what
which
that
is right.
person they do, that person they just get you with, no care what. You
Yeah, the
just,
little things
yeah, and you all see the person that do all some friggery. I say, but them I do friggery. I'm gonna take them friggery from nobody else. So why am I still want to be with that person and them I do the friggery where I not take from nobody else? So why I go on? And I saw you have some people I say, I wonder if I tie she time me, man, or over. And all them something. Yeah, I think, but you see that weakness something there. Well,
Yeah.
somebody like me, will my mind work and think, yeah, it's a God. But yeah, but yeah, I said enough people have it. But the weakness thing, the most of the time, me not think up with the other person. Based on if you listen to them,
Yeah.
Mark you do, you have people in a situation where, you have a good thing and then you go take it for granted and lose it and then you want it back.
Unconditionally.
Yeah, so you have that something there. Where
So,
after them go out there now and thing and them look back and now and say, John, say she was the one, or, a woman, me and say him was the one, and then they may have the weakness there, But I really, them just want to reach back for something where them never realize the value of it, and then them lose it, and then them spend the rest of them life, I say, I guess them would have go, yeah, sometimes all the one that got away type of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, and some people say, oh, that's a weakness or whatever. But outside of that, though, you listen to my reasoning now.
Yeah.
Them have a thing where them say, like how your fingerprint unique and your footprint unique and your eye print unique and your voice print unique, right? Right? You know that, right?
Yeah.
Right. There is a scientific argument out there that says that just as though we have those unique physical IDs, we actually have unique elements in our personality also. And them have all kind of term feed, pheromones and whatever. And them say with that unique thing in our personality, them say you can meet somebody with whom you are just aligned on a deep, it's not even like psychological. It's not only psychological. They're saying these are biologically based researchers, but basically they're saying that there's stuff there that we don't understand it. But the way to explain it so that you can understand it, so I'm going in a teacher mode now. When we Jamaicans say, why, I don't know, but my spirit just take her and my spirit just take him, right?
Yeah.
Right? Or the converse. Like, say I'm not doing nothing or whatever, but anytime I around him, I just get cross. I don't even know the man. I just get cross and whatever. Well,
How comes?
yes, all right. So there is something going on there where you have a certain type of alignment. And then the terms people use is your soulmate, your this, your that, and what. Them have all kind of term feed where we come up with. But there is something going on there sometimes when people meet certain people and there is this connection between you and them where you feel it, it's undeniable, and that person can do no wrong. That person can be so abusive to you and whatever, like, and you still feel the thing when you're around them. And it's a thing that drive people crazy, Because to them not feel it with nobody else and them rational with that and say, no, disrespect, I'm gonna put up with too much with you, I'm gone and whatever. But them I wonder why them can't do it to that person, Why? Hey, me know a friend, and she said, all when she's sick, She said when she's sick, And like a pass out one time she got one terrible flu and whatever, you know. And thing I may tell her say she had pass out and a drop out, hear me a drop out. And she said when the dirty boy come round and she just get on the same way and want to sleep with him, you know.
Yeah.
And she said, no, and she said, I don't want nothing to do with sort out and whatever. Once him come, my body just trigger that way there, you know. So
Alright,
when I
Raga,
say
you remember?
something I go on this way where we not understand as human being yet. And when you meet that person there, me can't tell you when me meet that person there, me not necessarily want to deal with that person there, you know. Nope.
You just want to start out.
No, we can't just be friends and whatever because unless me, you see, for me don't want to control people, you know enough man love want to control people. I'm not like that. But me want to control me. So anything me see when me know say me can't manage, me not ram for say, can't manage you, you know. Can't deal with you, right? What you did I say? You did I say something?
No, man, I cut before me get cut.
All right, now say a word,
So
man.
next man is father come right.
Yeah, man, respect for the meds doing, you know. All
Man,
right.
banner Raga, no shalala.
Enough shalala. See it? Left
No
the eye.
stupidness.
Left the eye. See it? Large up
the eye.
yourself. Here, sir. Respect and honor. Love the meds. Cool.
Big up.
Yeah, man. People, nice looking meds right there, so nice looking meds right there, so you know, all kind of, we'll cover several things and whatever, but the connection something, them man, you know. Me have to can't control me, you know. Me have to can't control me, can't control me, then, you know. And again, people may tell you, no dead over nobody, man, unless you're wrong and you try build back and whatever, but now run down nobody. If somebody don't want to deal with you, if somebody don't want to be with you and whatever, make them go on. If somebody don't want to be with you, just make them go on. Yeah, talk to me now where you're at, you know. Yeah.
Raga, I have a story. I don't know if some people are going to laugh or some people are going to take it deep, but it's a very deep story.
Yeah.
I try to make it as short as can.
Yeah, okay.
Now, me grew up, come see my mother and father together.
Mm-hmm.
So as a little girl, I always want 4 youth and, you know?
Right.
Table, sit down around table and husband and wife thing. That's how me see my mother and father.
Yeah.
So when I reach certain age, I meet this guy. And me and him hide around at the house back and, you know?
Look at Dugu, right.
Yeah, look at Dugu days. You know, man, you're old one.
Yeah. Hookings, we call hookings, them time there, you hook.
Yeah, so things happen and things go on.
Right.
And a baby.
Right.
And I set up a nice little place in the tour we go, you know?
Yeah.
Settle down
Make
and
life,
thing.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So one day where me used to live, where I grew up, I normally go back down there. You know, sometimes you call it the old yard. So I always visit that area there.
Yeah.
And somebody said to me, girl up the road there have a baby.
Mm-hmm.
And the baby, favor your baby.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But before that happened, I heard it from the same person that the person was pregnant and it's for my people. So one night...
Well, and the baby mother did tell you that?
No, a lady.
Oh, the lady did tell you that?
Told me that.
Yeah, okay.
So one night now I was going home because we moved from that area and there Portmore.
Mm-hmm.
And I saw the girl pass
Mm-hmm.
with a big stomach. And I said to him, me and him stop at the bus stop. I'm going to say, girl, they look like the girl where them so pregnant for you, man. Say, yeah, man, but I know me a dirty girl that. And from him said that, Raga,
Mm-hmm.
but I eat him like poison. Because you can't class a woman where you sleep with a way there. So me grew up in a different environment with my mother and father.
No, but at that point, did you know that him did I sleep with her for sure?
No, it's hearsay.
So when you say you
This poison before, because I wear him say.
Yeah,
So
just I said, but just I said about a woman, just I said about a pregnant woman, and what. But you see, in his emphasis, for kind of send you wide, him did that overdo it. Yeah, I end up saying them thing about her. Yeah,
shape me away.
Yeah.
So anyway,
Yeah.
me have tried to carry it down as short as I can with the story.
Yeah.
But more to it.
Yeah.
Anyway, baby born and mix up people go feed baby and you know,
Yeah.
show me the baby look like a my baby.
Yeah.
So me not used to that still. I'm just telling you the honest truth.
Yeah.
So I leave him.
Okay, you left him. Okay.
Yeah, man, I leave him, man.
Yeah.
Them time the Reggae me a dance in Jamaica school a dance, me in a drama, me not old thing, me a dance all over the place.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And one day I was supposed to perform at National Arena.
Mm-hmm.
And I went to collect some money from his sister.
Mm-hmm.
Not knowing that he would come there where I went.
Mm-hmm.
This is 3 months after we finish, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And him said to me the place where him that look bad for me and him living I ready. So he want me and him go around there. But I said, me you know there again.
Mm-hmm.
And right in my mother house, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Him walk out. And him come back and start to thump me in my face like that.
Jesus.
He thump me in my face. And him thump me a second time. And by the time me for realize him I go thump me again, a pure blood, Mr. Raga.
Mm-mm.
Pure blood.
Mm-hmm.
And as me get up and start to work on my back, you know, I never tell the story. I never tell the story like this, but because people are saying woman this and woman that, man this and that as well.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And some people gonna look at it, oh, she must do the man something. No, I didn't. Them time them be young and innocent.
Mm-hmm. Right. Mm-hmm.
Them time them not know about no, give no bun and them things there. Just grow up with the mother and father and sister and brother there. I don't know about that. I got 38 stitches and 28 stitches and 32 stitches beside each other on my face. And on my nose, there was 4 stitches. And on my hand, there's 4. And in my back, there's a lot of small.
Mm-hmm.
His remarks is, if him can't have me, nobody can get me.
Mm-mm.
Trust me, Raga.
Terrible.
And my son is I never tell my son. He grew up in a big man, and I never tell my son what happened.
Mm-hmm.
I never hold that conversation. But the thing I didn't do, him and my son is best friend.
Mm-hmm.
They're best friends. I never separate them.
Mm-hmm.
They're best friends.
Mm-hmm.
And one day I called my son and I was talking to him, and he said to me that his father want to talk to me. I said, what do you want to talk to me about?
Mm-hmm.
Say, this is 30 years after.
Mm-hmm.
Say, want me and him to try something. I said, did he tell you what he's done to me? He said, no, ma'am. I said, anytime him come out of your office, I will tell you what I'm doing. And that's how I tell my story to my son.
Mm-hmm.
My son married, have a wife, have children, and that's when he knew what happened to his mother and his father.
Mm-hmm.
And God rest his soul in peace. I was the one who helped to bury him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's my story.
John, and just listening to you, you know, 30 odd years and whatever, the emotional scars are still there, you know? You can't say,
No, because it so happens that I have relationship after, and I've looked back at that relationship, I said, what the hell was I doing there?
Right.
Yeah, so people don't look at my scars.
Right.
I never put myself in a situation where you look at my scars.
Right.
And in most cases, only when I'm going party, so I put on makeup. I'm not really a makeup person.
Uh-huh.
But because I got surgery stitch at the time,
Right.
them not have doctors like that at Kingston Public Hospital no more.
Right.
I never forgot that doctor who stitch my face.
Right.
Surgery stitch, he gave me very fine stitch.
Mm-hmm.
You see, to keep it inside, You never move on. It
Right,
was
right,
painful. It was
right.
very painful.
Well,
So it's
listen,
not only women alone have their faults. We're human beings. We all have our fault. We all have
no,
our
I
fault.
mean, unfortunately, with that, what you just detailed, and I would be surprised if there's anybody out there who I go say, well, I must something do whatever that make him do.
Yeah, I know
No,
that.
because sadly, what he did, unfortunately, is common. You know, you have these men who, you know, like Jamaicans, a woman strength him over, a little bit strength him or whatever. But you have these men out there, once they think that they are vested and, you know, the woman there with him or whatever and thing like that, if she disagree with him, or God forbid, she want to extricate herself from an unhealthy situation or whatever, the first response is violence, and you know, or him just want to do as him like, and you know, and she must be contained and disciplined, and he must can, you know, walk the world and do as him like. And if she says something about it, yeah, man will beat a man for that, you know, and that is
Yeah,
unfortunately that
that's
is
true.
common. And it don't even have to be anything that deep. Yeah, man will beat woman for it. You never even tell us if you do something. What my food there, what my shirt. You know, yeah, man who do that, sadly, you know, that out there.
Yeah.
So
But you see, Raga, some people still are said woman is like that, you know. But see my cousin are writing in the ask her. My cousin is there. She just say, love you, cuz. In the comment section.
right,
Hi, Georgia.
yeah. Now, me not
Yeah,
like,
my
yeah, me
cuz.
not, you know,
I
like go
know.
to, yeah, comment section when me attack. You know, me not want, me I realize it have become a little thing over here. But yeah, just talk to me, yeah,
It's true.
yeah.
But I never make it bother me. I never make it carry my self-esteem down.
All right then.
I still go perform, I still go dance, I still have my plaster on my face go perform same way. But
But
sometimes don't keep saying woman this or woman that or woman man too. Because mine happened at a young
no,
age when I was
Don. Don't hold on, Don. I mean, I know what you go through,
yeah.
but respectfully, there are some things that you know, based upon discussions, you know, sometimes people
Yeah.
are gonna say man so and so and man so and so and
Yeah,
man so
yeah,
and
that's
so.
true.
And there are some things where, you know, people are gonna say woman so and so and woman so and so and woman so and so and thing, you know. So I wouldn't suggest to people say don't keep saying woman so and so man too. Well, yeah, you know, so we know some my reasoning behind these things is people at the end of the day, you have good man and you have good woman.
Yes, you have some good
And
man out there.
you have dirty man and you have dirty woman,
Yes, that's
right?
true. That's
That's
true.
just
Both ways.
reality. And you know, so sometimes we get too caught up in the man woman thing, but there are times based on what somebody I talk about, we can understand why them are gonna say that's why I'm done with man, you know, a man so and so, a man so and so, because they need that moment to say that. And the
Yeah, yeah.
same thing, you know, you may have a man I say, you know, like a woman or them a woman you know what days, and you know, so we see things out there that we observe and we experience where at times it's going to be appropriate for somebody say, John, when you know, so them man you nowadays, them nah move right, them man you so and so and so, or them woman you nowadays, them not in that something there, them not in a, you know, so sometimes that I go on, you know?
Yeah, but you
But
see, I look back to that time to now. If it was now, I don't think I would have a problem with having a next woman pregnant and make the decision to leave. But for me back then, it wasn't a norm.
right, I understand that. Yeah,
Yeah.
yes, right. But listen, you know, commendations to you that, you know, over the years, you know, you rise up and thing and you reach a point where you look back and you're like, you know, experiencing better, you look back and you say like, what me did I do them time there? But you know, we all
Yeah,
in
that's
our young
true.
years, you know, we do things a certain way that, you know, later on down we do things differently, and we say, boy, you know, we just never did understand then, you know, and we did a grow then and so forth and things. So we just
Yeah,
want to
that's
say,
true.
you know, commendations to you, congratulations and thing. All right, for where you're there and thing. And look, you know, you're
Rag-
on a level with like a energy and a positivity. Yeah,
no,
help
no, I'm
Ragashanti, you know,
always
pick up
have
yourself.
energy. Always have energy.
All right, man, bless up yourself.
Somebody said to tell you to block Leroy, and you need to read the comment section sometimes. I'm just reading.
Yeah, right.
You need moderators.
No, I understand it, but I think it get a little bit too much sometimes too, you know. There are people, if you follow them, the show is about the comment section. And it's
Yes.
my job to manage the show, so it's about the interaction between the host and the caller. All right? But some people, you know, they go a little bit too far with it, you know.
You get lead way with comments. You know, comment section must run as well. Yes.
No. What I'm saying is my comment section is going to run regardless.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah, my comment section is going to run regardless. But some people, they're not thinking, and they you know, they're running a show in the comment section, and you can't.
It is.
Yeah,
It is.
yeah. So, I have to kind of guard against that. All right.
All right, then bless up yourself.
All right.
brother.
Yeah, man. Respect, man. Cool. Yeah, Sean, big up yourself, Sean. Blessings and respect, man. Blessings and respect. Yeah, I do remember my birthday party, Saturday, September 20th, my birthday month. I don't know why this November thing has creep up. Probably I want to look at Scorpio people, you know. Anyone on a Scorpio people who can sprinkle and look at powder oil and do away or whatever, I make my day as a November. I rebuke you. I rebuke you. Come in know why me keep on I say November from what I want to look at Scorpio people, you know. When I want to look at Scorpio people come with and look. When I want to look at Scorpio people come with and cut and clear the Scorpio bosom. Cut and clear the Scorpio bosom. Yes. Free up. All right. All right, Ragashanti birthday party, Saturday, September 20th. Saturday, September 20th, see? Yeah. All right, Saturday, September 20th, Ragabash. All right, make sure you on the forward. Queens, New York, and thing. All right, and we want to the support. And we just want to have a great party. We just want to have a great party and thing. As we usually have with Ragabashes and thing like that. And do remember, tickets are available at eventbrite.com. Eventbrite.com. Just put in Ragabash, Ragabash, and then put in New York and thing. And then you can buy on a ticket online. And then I'm going to have actual physical tickets for sale. Supposed to get them sometime later on this week and thing at the end of the week and thing. All right? So make sure it's on the forward and thing, and we're going to have a wonderful time. Music by, when I don't know, my party, my little brother, DJ Chris Cross. You don't know, said, good. Grown and sexy party. It's a grown and sexy party. And of course, the legendary Glamour Wayne will be there also, and the legendary DJ Roy, and thing and whatever, and some other selector go pass through. And thing, and you know, Brown Bass and Jimmy Q and thing. You know Jimmy Q him there all the while with me. And thing like that is, you know, see them out there and sitting and it go nice. It go nice. Hello.
Evening, Raga.
Yeah, evening.
Wow. So, have one mix up.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, send on.
But I know me happen to you know, but I did some all them time.
Yeah.
So, this guy
You know, so
got to one
your
man.
phone are going and come out again, you know.
I fix myself.
Yeah. Okay, all right. Yeah.
All right now?
Yeah, go on.
Yes. So, we have one neighbor
Yeah.
when we did some all.
Yeah.
So, he might cheat on his wife. One next lady that is down the street.
Yeah.
So, but they always that down in the bush.
Them always I do them something down in the bush. Yeah.
one of my brother friend or thief, the same man breadfruit.
How that go?
So one of my brother friend go down at the man farm,
Yeah,
thief breadfruit.
yeah,
So when him up in at the breadfruit tree, he hear the man and the woman come down in the bush.
yeah.
And him up in the tree and keep quiet. And under the tree, two of them come and him chop off the banana leaf and spread it and the woman lay down upon it. So I two of them down there I do them the sort out.
Yeah, pan the banana leaf in a bush.
So the youth up in the tree and listen and watch.
Mhm.
I hear when the woman say, Charles, it's not in there. Yeah, Charles. Anyway, they make it on there to Ross. If I know about the whole to Ross, make it on there.
Well, the woman ball out and say it not in there. And him say, anyway, they make it on there to Ross. If it in a wrong there, so in a back door, make it on there. So what happened after that?
So him they stab up the ground and things in situation in a way or something.
Yeah.
So my ground in the stab up the ground and stab up the ground.
Oh, so him never in him never in at the front door or the back door, but he's still in.
No, sir. Still the day go on. Old man, you know.
Old man, okay. Or probably a little leggings him did I get, you know.
So the guy up in the bush now, in the tree, I watch. When he done and he hold up his situation, so whole like tap I mash up, hear him to the woman. Greater yob up in the hour.
When him say what?
Yob up in the if a greater yob.
If I agree, because to him they are joke and a joke ground. And then him situation, as you say, him situation bruise up now and thing. And when him done now and hold it up now, because he must just juke up the ground and pop off, though. And when he hold it up now and ask her if a greater she having, that is something that old Jamaican man would have said. Like, you know, a greater you having, you know, chip up man things. All right, that's our word. Bless up here. Yeah, man, cool. Boss, I say if a greater you having there. Yeah, enough man them get little leggings, you know, and think them in a living room, you know, and don't even know say upon the veranda them there, you know. Yeah, on the veranda, in a living room. On the veranda, no. Greetings.
Raga,
Wagwan.
me not really have no mix up to give you about my message, you know, cause look here. That's when me I go give you my story. You have something we can change up my life.
What, them have something over TikTok where can do that?
Raga, they have one city you can change up your vibes where me mate now go pick up say me Raga if you going have problem. He love you and listen to you. I want to give you my story.
Oh, your mate love me and listen me. Eh?
Oh, you mean?
Oh, so you know what she
Oh,
here.
you mean?
Okay.
So look at them. You know, have something can change up my vibes, Raga?
I don't have it, but Don said them have something like that, so I'm going to look into it. Yeah?
Yeah, ask about it. I'm going to message just make you know, say me. So you're going to put me on, come and say, I have something for you, Raga.
All right. Okay. All
right.
Man,
Have a good day.
Yeah, man. May I check it out after I show. Yeah? All right, then cool.
Yeah, man, just make sound one different way, so she not pick up say me.
All right, then. Apparently it's there, so I'm going to get it. All right? All right, then cool. Yeah, anybody who know what that is, just inbox me, you know, just send me a message and tell me what it is. And yeah, I see several of you are telling me say it's there, so just inbox me and tell me what is it, or me can access it and turn it on selectively, depending on who is calling, okay? TikTok, boy. TikTok is something else, you know, man. Yeah. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Wagwan.
Good evening.
Yeah.
Why may I sit if you tell me I know how spicy me can't do it, you know, but I'm gonna tell you how my best friend breed for me picking them poop and her husband tell me say to me I take the same man.
Gee, and a fear husband tell you?
Yes, Raga.
No, give
Raga,
it.
me have a good friend.
Give it. No. Box me now, me nastiness with it. Send it
Mr.
time right.
Raga, me love the friend so till Raga, me love the woman so till all when it happen, me couldn't fight the woman. Me have to just make it go on.
But how long you and I
One
was
day
good
me
friend?
in my house and me here,
Go on.
my friend husband come call me and me answer.
Yeah.
He said to me, say, oh yeah, your friend I take you see a man. So me say, which man you attack? So you don't know, so your baby father breed me wife and she dash away. Raga, I nearly dead.
And this are your best friend husband call you and I tell
Me
you
say-
that.
My best friend Raga, she eat on me yard, she iron on me yard, me cook for her, pick me them. She teach me picking her BSc school, Raga. That's how close we be like sister.
Damn.
And me say, Raga, that was not the only thing.
What?
Fame, husband, brother used to there with she.
No. So when they say fame, you mean
husband.
fear husband brother, fear, not fear.
Yeah, fear husband, younger brother used to there with she.
What you mean?
But the reason why she did so bad, the husband never did a maintain her. She did have about 7 kids for her husband.
Right.
Alright, so listen to the part of Raga. She used to there with her husband brother. Right?
Well,
And for me baby father.
right.
Right? And her husband brother a fear sister baby father too. So it's like 2 sisters have picking with 2 brother.
I wear
But
the
she
mama,
had them
I
with her
wear the
sister,
mama
man.
cloth, yeah. Hold on. All right. Hey, people, this is what you call mix-up maths. Mix-up maths time now. Mix-up algebra right now.
Mr. Raga.
Hold on now. So your best friend have a husband with whom she have 7 picnic for, right?
Yes.
All right. That best friend, the husband, call you one day and tell you, say, they know, say, your best friend who there your house and thing, I want to share everything, whatever, they breed for your man.
Yes, Raga, and he dash away.
That's where the belly. And you
she
are
say, asked me, say, oh, you know, he said, then not my wife, not me, I ain't live. I see what he said to me.
all right then. And you are say, she know, did I take her husband younger brother too, right?
Yes, which I'm sister, man, because I 2 sisters, they with 2 brother.
And the husband younger brother, our brother-in-law, what she did I take, our husband younger brother,
Yes, Raga.
is also the man who there with fear sister.
Yes, Raga.
Papa Jesus.
Raga, not nice. You know what nice? Hey,
Eh?
Mr. Raga,
Who?
one day, my baby father
Mm-hmm.
and for my friend, brother-in-law, catch a fight in front of me. She, her husband and his sister fight over fear crutches.
No, well, I said that again.
What?
Well, I never care about that, you know. Jamaican people sometimes we care about that. Una sample. Me, I'm not give up Jamaican people for nothing. Una sample. What you just say a while ago? Rinse it
Mr.
again.
Raga?
Yeah.
My picnic them father
Yes.
and him brother-in-law.
And the husband younger brother, yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
get a fight over fear crutches, and I want to tell us that Fimi baby father and that the brother they are the best friend.
And the 2 of them a fight over your friend crutches.
Yes, Raga.
Your
And me
baby.
turn up like an idiot. She turn up like an idiot. Fear sister and her husband turn up like an idiot. I watch me baby father and that the brother they are war over her crutches.
Me can't believe this Toratin. Me can't believe this. Are you
Raga,
serious?
Then me young, you know, me did that just about 24-year-old in a Raga. And me never had no help from out a relationship, you know. Raga, you know, so me couldn't fight the woman. Everybody has said me must fight her. Me must beat her. Raga, the way me did have love for that woman as a friend. Me couldn't fight her.
So what on there? So the whole time when she attack with you and a joke with you and
Him
a
and them with me
share.
baby father all about a river. All about in a cocoa walk up a river top and with me down there no walk too because me no love road. I love company. Me nobody not tell me nothing.
Well on. She really grind off your husband in a cocoa walk. Listen, me now why you vex, but Well, when she grind on the husband down a river in a cocoa walk, no?
Mr. Raga, all both then did they do it.
He,
And me didn't know, so I'm going to give you one next part of the saga now.
yes.
Me did have one cousin dead. And when me have the two baby, me ask her if he keep the baby for me. For me get figure the singing. So, fear father did dead in at the same time.
Hold
So
on, one
for them
second,
father
one
come to
second.
St.
Hold
Catherine.
on, for my foreign listeners who sometimes these Jamaican things come up and they get confused. Singing is like night. It's like a wake. Okay, go
Yes,
on.
a night.
Yeah.
So me end up got the night and left the picnic them with she.
Yeah.
That are before all of this a drama expire him open up, you know.
Oh, this is before. Okay.
Yeah, man, them are before the drama. After this, not the whole like drama, but me give the drama before this happened.
Yeah.
So Raga, when me got the singing I come now, like next week after them, so my picnic father said he gonna replace we as a friend of them people singing too. When me down the yard, your sister called me and said, Sandy, your man has such woman in a river down your grind.
And the woman was who? Was your friend?
Yes, Raga, then the fear father dude. After me baby father gone and that they singing the that was for them dead at St. Catherine and then down river all along down there.
Hold on. And a fear father did dead.
Yes, fear
So,
father dead and my cousin dead in the same period of time.
Right.
So she keep my picnic them now for me go at this for me family singing.
Right.
She keep them for the night till when me come back.
Yeah.
So my baby father knows all right, him go back for them singing at St. Catherine now to represent we because we are friends. You understand?
Right. So since she represent part one side, what? Yeah. Only for find out.
Find out say a baby father did one go forget the opportunity for grind her at the river down at St. Catherine there.
Hold on. When him a grind her up down a river, that time our dead pooper singing a go on.
That time then I tell say they then go figure singing a funeral Raga. And instead of them go mourn, they go down the gang with them one another.
Jesus God. So hold on, you hear this before?
And the sister called me and tell me.
Hold on, fear sister?
Yes, call me and tell me say in down there and then me picnic them father in a river.
So hold on, you didn't know say your best friend I take your husband even before the big.
Know at the time, Raga.
No, but when me I say since you said this, them they tell you this before the big shebang with when she got breed for him. So you didn't know say she had take your man from before. She
Raga,
breed for him.
Me I tell you, me never know none of the argument.
No, but me I say after them tell you that about the Saka down a riverside when them did for
yes.
when them did for there the 9
Me should I tell you this first before me reach to the point when the husband tell me, because after his sister call me and tell me no, and at the time when the husband tell me say him breed for me baby father and dash away. And me ask him say, oh you know, and he say yes because two of them live together and she got dash away.
No, but when me I say, but if you didn't know, how long before you didn't know this about where them going with down a river at the singing?
When they go with the river down a singing, it's just after when they go with this down at the river. That's the time when me sit down at me yard now. Because the husband never hear the story yet. Say them a day now. After them down there singing, me get the story say them a day. Then a couple days after now the husband come tell me say she breed and dash away Raga.
Oh.
And when she dash away the husband breed her sharply after. You know say the woman come tell him best friend say boy when the baby born at hospital and he see the birthmark with the husband she jump in at the hospital.
What you mean she jump? Jump for what?
If you know say picking up his husband because husband have a certain birthmark on him and the baby come with the same birthmark.
Right. So when you say she jump, what you mean? She jump.
She glad on it me picking
Oh, she glad. One. Oh, because she never wanted to be like a Yearman breeder.
Yes.
Oh, so what I know. So after she dash with the belly for Yearman, the husband breeder after.
Sharply after Raga. And even when he have this a picnic of his husband, she and the husband break up and she go breed for her next man come back to the husband and go have her last baby and now she gone America.
So after she breed for the after she dash for the belly for your man, cause you didn't marry that your husband or you did just
No
live with
man,
it?
we never married.
Okay.
We only did have them pick it together.
So after she dash for the belly for your man, she breed for her husband who did call you and tell you say him did call you and make you know
Yes,
say she
Raga,
breed
she
for
go
your
back
man.
go breed for the
And
husband.
then after that now she go out the road go breed for one next man.
Next man, time and the husband pull up, husband nah mind the pitney them.
Nah mind the 7 picnic them. So
Yes,
hold on now. So she go breed for one next man. And then she
Yes,
come
Raga.
back, come breed again for the husband. How much picnic she have
Yes,
total
Raga.
now? How much picnic
She about 9 picnic in total.
No, okay.
And Raga, she have one family member dead. And she get a visa to go America a funeral. Me know that for 3 weeks she get pani Raga, she run and no come back.
Oh,
So she in America right now.
She bring up a picnic then?
No, she not keep picnic them with her, you know. Because when she left, I must say did about 2 of them did really underage. Because I picnic them grown, you know, because I picnic them all are female. I must say female look boy when me have a 20 and one at 18.
Oh,
so
okay.
A long time,
So them
so
all
yeah.
So about when she come up America?
Couple of years.
Maybe
5 or 6 years. No, she there.
Okay, so which district this happening now? Which district?
Right at St. Louis in Manchester.
Right away?
Right pan the capture land.
Right where? Wait name?
St. Louis.
St. Louis?
Yes, in a Manchester, down a riverside.
Right at St. Louis, down a riverside in a Manchester, right?
Yes,
Raga.
Raga.
Down there, so right pan the capture land, you say?
Yes, Raga. Me used to live on the capture land, right on the river bank.
Okay.
Yeah,
Right.
Mr. Raga, it's when it happen. We have one set of people on the river, up on the capture land, we call Mucky Fungus.
Well, stop right there, so. Stop right there, so. Stop right there, so. Stop right there, so. Stop right there. We in the man. This TikTok no good again. Why you no good again? Why you said they wanna call the place?
We call the people them Mucky Fungus.
Mucky Fungus. Me couldn't call them that.
We enemy them. Me say
We are not who you call Mucky Fungus. Who them? Where them live?
We dirty neighbor.
Your enemy them.
Yes, man, we call them Mucky Fungus, Raga.
Okay, your neighbor them and think cause.
Yes. Because when they find out that the woman sleep with me, picking the father and knows that we did so close, Mr. Raga, they laugh.
So well I know. Since you and them a war from long time, when them hear that now, be a bantaning them put on your door.
Raga, they laugh at we so tell.
Well, you never walk on road and then dashboard pound and fling wood pound.
Raga, you know, so me is really a person, nobody no trouble in my community until today.
Oh, cause them know.
Nobody no trouble with me, man, because my head no screw on, you know, screw off.
Okay, so them know, so you da move to them and step to them door.
Yeah, they know more than move to them, man. So nobody no really trouble me. And you know, sir, I got one of things go on with me and my pitney father and nobody in the district. No, because all when that happen, then things say me and my baby father good. Rather than never yet see me and my baby father in a outer road and we are argue.
John, no.
We always outer road and really loving. I want to come in a yard to pay a war.
But tell me something, do I still not fully understand how after your best friend who betray you so deeply and heavily and whatever, and go take your man right under your nose and breathe for your man. And when your man say him gone, a fear dead pooper singing, night and whatever, she did there boom off him John down a riverside and whatever,
yes,
this and that. So me still not understand how you say you know you love her so much that you.
Raga, let me tell you something.
What she do for you? Why you love her so much?
Raga, she's a nice person, Raga. She nice. She have nice ways. And you know, say, when me go there, he was just my best friend. She just automatically become my friend. And you know, when you have a friend and you love a friend,
No, but
And
me
you
ask
know
you
the fact
something.
me
Hold
have
on,
to
man. Me want you
stand
help me.
for.
No, me want you help me understand this and whatever, you know. Because what you say is very, very significant and there is something to learn there, you know. So this person who you swear for you, so I say she's a nice person and she have nice qualities and nice thing and whatever, this and that. But at the same time, you know, so she a grind off your man the whole time when she are nice to you. My question to you, you never drop back and wonder why she did so nice to you?
Mr. Raga, me don't know if I because me
Ah,
dey
well
too
on
young.
there. Shane Mark, stop posting at the chat to the lady a shout. Talk, you shout as much as you want. Shane Mark, just cool, man. Just cool, man. Just cool, right? You notice you kind of critique all the while and make you shout. Talk how you want to talk, right? Now, but stop posting. You keep on a post the same thing in the chat and whatever. Remember what I say. You're entitled to your opinion. Don't post it. All right?
All right, Raga,
Yeah,
when me
you
jump up on the
talk as loud
cattle,
as you want to talk. Yeah? Go on,
she
talk. Yeah.
and her sister then become my friend, right?
Yeah.
But me and she more closer. And we used to sit down and talk every little thing.
Mm.
All right, if she need anything, I me have me gear, Raga. I mean, not know if I because the husband used to utilize her, nah, gear, nothing for the pitney, then pitney for go to school, then can't go to school. Me kind of step in and feel sorry for her and gear anything when me have. Everything when me have, me share Raga. That time, I don't know, say the woman that behind me back and share me man too.
Well, so mostly you did a help her as opposed
Yes,
to she
Raga,
a
me
help
help
you.
her out. When she gone to school at daytime, I left me picking sometime and me cook for what food and me have in my house. And give her a look picnic them, Raga.
So is
Raga,
that
if you iron now, work for me yard, she iron. She a go to school and morning time and me get up and me cook early, she get her breakfast. She a come in and me cook, me give her dinner, Raga. That's how me and the woman live.
but what I'm hearing from you right now, are you mostly did I look out for her too?
Raga, me look out for her left, right, and center. Me do the best what me used to do for her.
Are you did a sorry for her and a help her and a look out for her the whole time and I picnic them and them something there. Me did all I wonder if she did I do things for you where you just feel obligated and in gratitude make you couldn't war her. But what you tell me right now, are you did there for her non-stop?
Raga, me say me cry, Raga, me ball and when me say to me pity them father, before me say this to me pity them father, me go one time me come in the yard and me and catch up our argument with me and me run after him with one knife, Raga, me chop with the knife. And he said to me, say, you couldn't jump and kill yourself. And me said to myself, say, this not worth it to fight over. No, man.
See,
Raga, when me ball and me tell him, man, say, me must leave him, man, tell me, say, me see gate, them if you go through it. That's what tell me, Raga.
that your man tell you? That your picking them father tell you?
Yes, Raga, me say, me and him know if you go, Raga, me I tell you the honest truth, because me was the third pitney for me mother, me do that just 22, me have the first one and me at 22, the second one and me at 24.
Right.
And me never know if you go because, you know, country people, you want to go one room.
Right,
My mother
right.
couldn't accommodate me with 2 baby, you understand?
Right.
So, me did have to stay with him, Raga, me go through left, right, and center with him, Raga, till he will live till 11 years and we live.
Right.
And right when he reach in, I'm going at the 12 year now, me and him break up. Because Raga, that the man there, when you talk about bunny no master, him have the factory in Raga. Him have the truck we carry the bun, go store, you know.
Send go the bakery, no.
Raga, the man wicked. Raga, me tell you one thing where man do. One time man get a bus to go St. Martin, you see?
Yeah.
That time me have the first baby, I'm pregnant with the second one.
Yeah.
When you go St. Martin back in the days in the early 2004, 2005 and they catch you, you come up on the next available flight.
That's true, yes.
Raga, when they catch him the month, he never got through. And then the TN him and send him back down the Wednesday. I say, Raga, I never know say the man have a woman at town with me now. The man come from the Wednesday, Raga, and I the Saturday before me see the man land at Jamaica from Wednesday and stay at the woman yard. Wednesday night, Thursday, Friday, I come home to me Saturday morning.
And you never know. Oh, but how you find
Raga.
out? How you find out in the end?
They know someone I never tell me.
Oh, you got through it with him, though.
Raga, me say me never see one man give on a turtle, so Raga me go through it.
Jano.
Raga, me go tell you how wicked the man be now.
Yeah.
When me live with it, when we come out for the capital and I go live by him mother yard, after a while him mother dead, and then me and him and him twin brother live by mother yard.
Yeah.
So anyway, me did backside did I come in at the area and me walk one ground and me alone 2.5 acre land, Raga. Me walk off the ground and wait pan backside to come and get the money, Raga.
Okay.
Raga fee me ground, you know.
Yeah.
But the land not fee me.
Yeah.
So Raga me take the money when me get it. Me say Raga Citibank me go change it. Cause me never did know say bank na Jamaica near Citibank.
Yeah.
And me
Yeah.
say me uncle where police can me go town a Citibank go change the check, Raga.
Right. Right.
And carry me back come all over and then we come and me pen and me go bank some money at NCB.
Yeah.
And me buy up the block them and all the necessary material to build the house.
Mm-hmm.
And Raga me use my brother, my bigger brother we are 2 years older than me and me one next smaller brother we follow me.
Mm-hmm.
And them come run out the foundation and block up the house, Raga.
Yeah.
So when backside come a country, you know you have friend where you give all piece of land to build for them house to catch little of the money too.
Right.
Anyway, maybe 1 2 bedroom.
Wait 1 second. For those of you who don't understand, Bauxite is aluminum company and they're run by multinational companies. And when they come in communities in Jamaica, they result in economic development and thing, you know, because them spend them money, them spend them corporate money and thing. So you
Yes,
find say
Raga.
people in the community, they make money from Bauxite people in different ways. And so when she says she walk the ground, again, that means that she just toil the soil and plant different things and whatever, and she was able to sell it to the Bauxite. Go on, yeah.
So when me get the money now, Raga, and me buy the material, my brother them build up the house.
Mm-hmm.
And my brother them build up the house. And you know, so when my brother them reach a belting at the house, one argument come up. I don't remember exactly what me stay up at my mother house and butt in at the argument and he disrespect me. And my brother them throw down the tool right now and said to me, say, as a sister, say, if he can talk to you like that in front of we, imagine behind them back. And my brother them don't do no more work on the house, Raga, then left it right a belting.
Tell the people them what is belting when you have billows.
Belting, and when you block up the house and cast right up to the top now, when you do the belting, you have to put on the top.
Right. Okay.
Right now, so my brother them left in Raga, and him taking own time and put on the top on the Raga.
Yeah.
So me build a 2 bedroom, a bathroom, and one side of the house would equal to the kitchen and the living dining in a one.
Yeah.
No veranda over the panny.
Yeah.
And Raga me and the man left for 10 years now. And you know, the backside cover, no backside just cover, Raga. And the plan was him to give me half when the house sell. You know, say man, take it all I money.
Jano, him do you wrong, man. Him do you wrong.
Raga.
No, Jano.
Right now.
Yeah.
The man, when the backside come about 3 months ago or so, when the people them step in.
Yeah.
To the house, and the man communicated with me 2 days. And all of a sudden, the man cut me off, block me, Raga, kind of want me to have nothing to do with the money when he come, Raga.
See
no
there.
wicked the man be a Raga, if I never meet the man, would have nothing to collect. Because when me a plant to Raga, the man say, nah, kill for himself. I mean, one plant Raga, and if you ever see me, I want lick up beanie somebody. When me I use fork a plug Raga, to plant them the cassava there. And plant gungo, plant everything where you know we plant in a ground for catch backside, me plant Raga.
Right.
And Raga, me say, me tell you something, me pray for God for when he get the money, Raga, today he broke tomorrow. That's how wicked the man be, Raga. So me I tell us sometimes we go through something in our life with man. When you see some of them women say they want a single life to live, Raga, you have to just load them because who
For
feels it
real,
and them
yeah,
knows
yeah.
it.
Based on when them go through and just say, I eat that, you know, I'm done with man, right? You know, yeah.
Raga, me go through some wicked sitting with that them man. If I me and that man they left 10 years, I don't live back with the next man. Even though me have a man, but me and him not live together, Raga.
Oh, you just now go back there, so.
Just now go back and live with no man, Raga.
Ja,
No
no.
matter where one man I go say me nah live with you.
Right.
Cause Raga me I tell say me go through so sitting with that them man them boy for me live you out. It not easy, Raga. He's not an easy person. Wicked boy, man. And a tree picnic me and the boy have a wicked boy.
When they know?
I tell you know, married and live at Albion with one woman. A woman, I write on a woman must say I beat him.
I beat him, what you mean?
You know, when you're married and your life, no, you know, live no life.
Yeah? Oh, so you mean say she just bad for him then, right?
You can't manage that the woman there, Raga.
So we say Albion in a which parish?
Manchester.
Same place at Manchester there and thing.
Yeah, man.
So where you there now?
Me live in a Christiana, man.
You're there Christiana now and thing. Well, boy, thank you for calling and share that one with me, you know, but may I tell you, that near mix up. You know, sometimes I say, don't mix up the mix up. Don't mix up verb, the mix up noun. But one of them mix up, they have to be careful so you know, mix it up. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, your man, your best friend. So wait, what going on with you and Miss Lady then now? Uno still.
No, man. No, family life go to him. Maybe 18 years or so. Me not see back then the people and back with them the people. Family left off I capture land.
For you left off I capture land. Okay.
2010 or so. Me no,
so you did done with she too? You did done with she?
Yeah, man, me done with them, man. Yeah. Every one of them me done with, man.
Okay. Oh, God. Boy, you go through it, man. You go through it.
Raga, me go through it. Raga, me couldn't even put on weight. Me say when me at 30, when me at 32, 33 years old, me weigh 150, 110 pounds.
Because of the stress and
they stress me out.
Stress you out and things. See it there? Jano. Well, anyway, me just want you just go and build back, you know. Go and grow, see me, you know, strength to strength, see me, all right? And go and rise here. Hello?
Yeah, man. All right, Raga.
All right. Love and blessings. Yes, thanks for sharing. All right? Sandy, bless you. Cool. Boy, what a piece of mix up. And drama there. No, what the place name St. Toulis in a Manchester, whatever. That mix up there. So our man, I take our best friend who she help. She help the best friend, you know. Cause the best friend married, but her husband nah help her with the 7 picnic them. So she help her best friend and have her in her house and thing I help her, whatever. And then the best friend now asleep with fear man. But the best friend also attack fear husband brother, younger brother. And the younger brother married to the best friend sister. And things reach a point where right in front of her, fear baby father, the father fear picnic, fear tree picnic, end up a war. The best friend brother-in-law, the best friend husband younger brother, a war fear man, the father fear tree picnic them, in front of them, over our best friend crutches. So quoted. And fear man say him a go our best friend father funeral. And instead of them there, somebody say instead of them there mourn, them down a riverside are grown. Right? That our father night, she attack our best Jesus. No, sir. Yo, that near mix up though. That near mix, me tell you, the mix up here when I give you like back in the day. Well, X too, cause that's the topic, X-man, X-woman mix up some drama we reach, back in the day and whatever. Any little thing we reach, differently and things, see? A Ragashanti life on TikTok, yeah? I could go and juggle and thing. Mix up, we say, yeah. All right? And I didn't have a problem with the volume of voice and whatever. And people, me telling you, nothing wrong if you don't have one look at this and that. But just know when to keep it to yourself. Because again, don't come over here and make it about you as an individual and thing. I had any problem with the volume of voice. The way she talk are them people that me grew up around. 24/7, that's how people talk when me grew up. The way she talk is those people me grew up with in Jamaica. All right? I want to come on Raga show and just free up and be on yourself, all right? Yeah. Just know say me allow that. I facilitate that. I welcome that, right? One of the appeal of a show like this is that you can call in and just talk up or something. I'm asking nobody use no P word or no F word or go too raw, but just talk is something them, man. All right? Okay, cool. I'm going to see how I go on and go back in the chat, right? Go back in the request box, right? People big up on themselves, I enjoy on a life. Laugh, learn, and grow. I said, don't. For a long time, I don't know that a raga motto, don't.
Good night, Raga.
Good night.
Well, I have a story I forget, boy.
Send on.
God Almighty.
Yeah, we could hear it, no?
So a couple years ago, I was with my baby father, right?
Yeah.
So I meet this. My baby father did have problems.
Yeah.
Him jealous and him a carry on.
Yeah.
So me tell myself, say, look, right now me left you. But in a film world, it's like me still there with him, but me don't left him long time.
Yeah.
So me meet a guy and I fall in love with the guy, When me look, the boy tell me say in birthday night. So I was working security them times.
Yeah.
Anyway, now when you look, the boy pick me up from work.
Mm-hmm.
Carry me down house.
Mm-hmm.
I know the moment is right. Me a bun weed and me a drink Guinness.
What? Yes, man. Ready, prime and ready, charge up. Charge up and ready,
Sexy part come now.
Yes.
So when you look now,
Mm-hmm.
me sex, all kind of position me get.
Beer style, you get different position. And when you mean what
different style.
You remember any other position them? I want sweet you. Well, you get mama and papa, you get backers, you get anything, you get head top.
Why me let me get no mama and papa that night there?
Not no that night there. What him do? Him does position your about. You dig up on the dresser.
Twist me up, acrobat style.
Yeah, style. One leg pan shoulder, then 2 leg pan shoulder, then turn you around and them something they don't. Him to grab your ear.
So anyway, when we done,
yeah,
and it was with papa off.
Yeah.
Why? I tell him, say, look, me I spend 2 hours, me can't spend a long time.
Yeah.
Because me know my baby there by my baby father.
Right.
Rather, when me catch myself, remember say me done work 11 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
So me supposed to left from by the boy yard by 1 o'clock it is.
Right.
When me look, like my spirit come for me and say, what you do ya? When me jump up and me look on the phone at 4 o'clock, Raga, me turn stupid, I draw on my clothes. When me look on my phone, me estimate it to be over 100 phone call from my baby father, my mother, everybody they call me.
You can't find it. They tell you they road that take instrument.
That time the boy say, you tell me you and your baby father done, so why you in a frantic for? Why you worry for? Me say, shut up, don't tell me nothing right now.
Right. Yeah.
Raga? Me say press gas. Me say you drive too slow. Me say press gas.
Yeah.
Because me see my life flash across me eye them.
Jano, yeah.
Raga, when me reach my village now, me say no carry me there in my yard. Drop me at the top of the road.
Of course, yeah.
So me walk come down.
Mm-hmm.
That time the boy call me, he say, where there? Me say, boy, I have to do double shift.
Right.
No relief, they come.
Right.
And the people them, when them do come for me,
Yeah.
people them live far and the man live close to me, live the bus driver. So he say, I carry me home last.
Right.
Raga, he come out before he say, you lie, you work. When you look now, when me reach the yard, all me do, me knock the door, he grab up my shirt and he walk me upstairs in the house, he lift me up off the ground. That time you know, them time they him weigh about 178, so and me a 200 I go up in a church, you know.
Then when
and me say, grab me up, lift me up, strangle me up.
Him lift you up and him weigh 178 and you weigh 200.
Yeah, man. And the fluffy say love, fluffy to the world.
Yeah, yeah.
Raga, when he lift me up and he bring me to the house, he start to give me some uppercut in my belly. Beat me up bad.
Wow.
That is not the point in the Raga.
What?
When me look, he said, where your clothes on the wrong side? The pants all wrong, the shirt all wrong, the panty all wrong, the brassiere all wrong, everything all wrong. Brother, when me look down on the pants, see the pants is a black pants and all, see the two big white pocket, them wrong side out. Me don't know about too much button on the shirt, and when me look, the shirt button up, so me don't know, oh, me put on a wrong side shirt and button up a wrong side shirt.
So you never noticed none of that?
Look, I get some blow. Nobody could have saved me tonight.
No, but Woland, you never noticed. No, well, you did just so preoccupied and so concerned to get to me. Don't even notice all your clothes looking at the dark. I left the man yard.
Raga, the boy set me up to because he half his set me clothes down wrong side.
Well, that is true.
He set me up. And then I have the nerves. I come call me the next night. Oh, everything did go. Me say me can't come back by you. Me done with you. Me get catch. I'm busted.
Jano. So when you say be beating him give you the night and thing like that?
Oh, me get some uppercut the night till me weak. Me, I say me run.
You run?
Come in my yard. Me never know say fluffy girls can run so fast, but me know me can run.
Right. And then you reach a beer thing, the dark take to you and whatever and put it on for you, no?
Look, but when me don't get the blood, then me reminisce for the sweetness from my teeth where I go get.
And?
My God. But
well,
I just end the relationship with the young man because I just feel that type of way saying set me up because he have the two big white pocket them turn out.
Right, I never said nothing to you and whatever.
I never said, hey, Raga, me get some bloody boy, tell everybody that the neighborhood say me's a prostitute.
Jesus, and
then
then...
me come on with my pants, right side.
Yeah, no.
From then time me left out the cheating thing, me can't bother with it. Because me can't cheating on me all the talking in my sleep.
When you mean you're talking in your sleep, what?
Yeah, me talking in my sleep. If it's something sweet me when you hear the next night I come here, I call the man name. And wet dreams.
And when you say after him beat you did remember all the sweetness or the look of salt
yeah,
man. With the,
but the saddest part of it, you know.
Yeah.
When he don't give me the uppercut them.
Yeah.
He tell me say anybody you go have love with, you have to give me now. So he strip me down and put me on the bed. He said me nearly dead that night there. He said me nearly dead that night there.
He said after him done beat you know and say, you run
yes,
go or whatever this
man when we go for sex with,
yeah.
I have to give him film cut. Me say sex me sex, me know when you go for go kill a goat and then near dead
Yeah,
or
you
then
know
dead.
the angry sex, the angry sex, so ramming and stabbing and thing, and that him put on pan you and thing, and
Yes. Kill
being
me the
real
night, so
bilious,
double
man.
trouble.
Yes, after him done beat you and thing, him just give a proper sort out and grind you off terrible, no?
Yeah, man. And the saddest thing, the next day, I couldn't even go out. Me have to report sick. I couldn't sit down on my bottom good, on my vagina area good. I nearly dead.
What you mean, bruise up and sore up and thing,
Yeah,
no?
man. For days, me in a pain.
Yeah, because Mr. Man, they did shell you up before and then you come home now and get a beat and then another shelling and thing, no? Eh?
Yeah, man.
Oh, God, so you look at
What?
Tuntun did batter up, no?
Yeah, man. Me couldn't go out the next day. Me
Swell
report
up
sick.
and swell up and thing. You did sap it with anything? You did sap it with any little thing for cool it down, eh?
Me?
Yeah, you did
A
sap
doctor,
it.
me have to go to doctor ask me if I want to press charges. Me tell him no. Shame and disgrace, I
where you
couldn't
go
manage
doc-
it.
What you mean? Your Tuntun did just beat up and thing, you have to go doctor with it?
Yes, it did mash up, man. I couldn't manage.
Oh, God, poor little Tuntun.
Yeah, I couldn't even wash it good.
Couldn't even what? Jesus, so you did splash up any look warm water upon it or anoint it with anything?
Me try my best with, you know.
Yeah.
Take some pain pill and so on. It no work.
No, John, when I
So, learn my lesson, you know.
Yeah.
In our mind as female, we tell ourselves so we done, you know.
Yeah.
That time, so we have been up the man up, so we in a relationship with the man still, you know.
Uh-huh.
You understand?
Yeah.
If we know we don't want a man,
Right.
and the relationship expire, end it off.
Right.
Cause you see, like me I'll talk about myself.
Oh, yeah, for careful with that something.
Yeah, when you love and sweet me.
Yeah, you end up
Talk
a
about
dream
myself.
about it back and end up a talk about it in your sleep.
Yes.
I know people get in that trouble.
And you say, no, my son.
Yeah.
My son is 17, you know, I give him that story there.
Yeah.
You say, me nearly dead, you nearly miss a mother.
Jesus.
You nearly dead.
I mean, I want you feel no way still, you know, but...
No, me feel proud.
No, something me have to say to you.
Him caused me forgot do it.
Who caused you forgot do it?
The baby father.
Oh, okay.
Him did harass me, him a drop pints.
Okay.
So the little boy, me meet this little boy, and he did tell me the right things that I want to hear. So that's why I go give him.
All right. But listen, man, you survive it and thing. I mean, again, I don't want you feel no way, but I just want honor to respect and honor also, you know, to... You know, you look at Chun we wall it right through the whole night there, you know, because...
Stop it!
No, because me know say enough time me there and y'all talk about me there. I said, gee, look at that man come beat me and all them something or whatever. Me know at that time you look at Chun and say, you there talk about what you beat me. What about the beating when me go through? You understand and thing. And you say next day a problem and all them something there and things. So me just
the next day me have to push off God doctor. And me have to hide from my mother. And me reach home. The saddest thing, me reach home. My mother, where you they come from them hours, yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Remember me don't get beat down, you know. Me tell mommy, me will tell about it in the morning.
Yeah, not right now. Okay. All right, big up yourself for your blessings and respect. Well, Ann, I
But I just lie, you know.
I would have beside
Yes,
you.
man.
I would have beside you and laugh the whole time right through. I would have. Eh?
Well, me I do she here, so you know. Me we was listening to your program, so
Right.
me tell she boy me have a burning testimony.
All right then.
So me
big
tell she
up.
never call in.
Yeah. Okay. All right then. Big up yourself for your friend. Big up yourself.
Well, Raga, if me give some joking for my life, yeah.
Yes, man. And I mean, know,
Next time, man, you call in the next time again.
All right, not a problem. Big up yourself. All right, cool.
Big up yourself, Raga.
Love and blessings, man. Cool. Jano. Hey, I know people at the wrong side close something that happening, you know. But usually when them put on the close wrong side, at some point them, you know, them find out, you know. But you do have a couple, particularly when people put it on and them jump in and them car and go directly someplace, you know. And that's how them get. But the people them who Well, most of the wrong side close thing them when I know about. Somebody did see them first, you know, and say, yo, what go on? Or them see themselves first, and you know, and them able to correct themselves or stop somewhere and go in a bathroom, go change, or go in a McDonald's, go change, right? Somebody said, I put on the man pants and we were at home. My mother nearly killed me, Lord Jesus. And one time when I can't understand and thing and whatever, you know, we have this brother here, when we have one studio down in Jamaica. And as a youth, you know, we have a studio in a Q45 studio. You know, Q45 will manage Elephant Man. And a man a reason out there all the while. And this brethren I go say, yeah, he make mistake and put on him girl panty. And when him reach home, him realize him have on him girl panty. Even anything can go so. So I saw now I said to him, because you know some woman panty is like a little cotton thing and whatever. So I say, what kind of panty? Him say, typical Jamaican. When I frilly want them, when they say frilly, when Jamaicans say frilly, they might talk about lace or something like. So I say, that frilly panty you put on? Him say, yeah. I say, what color was the panty? Red. What color was the... I just assume say a brief him put on. So me say, what color was your brief for your wear? Go? Him say, it was a blue boxers. Oh, you for wear boxers go out as a man and end up put on a woman frilly, aka lace panty. And you not feel it right away and whatever. That not make sense. That not make sense to me. It's like, it never makes sense to me. I know some people say, yeah man, it can't happen and whatever. It never makes sense to me because that must feel different from you. Because I ask him, you know, because you know some women have some little cotton panty and some women have some little boy shorts type of thing, you know? Where, yeah, you know, feasibly you can see where I look a mistake can make this one thing. But when him did that, it never make no sense to me. Right? Somebody did that have him in check, you know. And I say, some people I say it happens and whatever. I don't know. I find it hard to believe a man can put on a woman lace panty. I don't know. And a underpanty they have on and thing. I don't know. All of that, me I say, then from the thing go clutch on your instrument and thing. Ladies. Well, you probably know this, but me I tell you this as a man. We wear we thing, you know what you need to call it, the situation, the instrument, the man instrument. Man will put it on one side. Is it always upon the left side or it always upon the right side? Right? But it always the to a side. So how you go put on a woman underwear and I never ask him about that though, you know, because, you know, I'm not good at some glass, nothing like that from the man. But, yeah, in the most position, you know, your tool in the most position different and you say, I want all this not feel right and thing. I don't know. Unless you never have enough for put on a side, you know. I'm just saying. Raga, you're not in New York anymore. I am in New York. All right, let's see it there. Yeah, I see someone doing it, yeah. So tap the orange heart beside my head, right? And then you will see the option there to do a thing called Heart Me. Oh, the heat is it went up to 100 degrees here today in New York City, and it's that repressive heat where drape you up and thing. Raga, you look young and nice like you're not aging. Old man, Raga. Me a old man. Old man. All right, cool. Yes, so the heat was the heat was really bad today. It still is, and it's gonna be like that for the next couple few days and thing. And people do remember my birthday party Saturday, September. Saturday is the 20th of September. Saturday the 20th of September. Amazura in Queens, New York. All right. Ragashanti birthday party and thing. I want the whole I want to come out for that and thing. See? Yeah, well, it's the entire Northeast, that's under this heat watch. So Connecticut will indeed be having it too. Upstate New York and Massachusetts, Rhode Island, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and Delaware, Maryland, and thing. And all them look at thing they seen. Yeah, big up my ATL family and thing. All right. X-Man Mixup, X-Man Mixup, X-Man Mixup, X-Man Mixup, or any other mix-up you want to know, want to go through and want to share with you today and thing, just send on and don't hang on. Send on and don't hang on, all right? Training nurse up there in Hartford, big up yourself and everything is everything. In the meantime, let's go. All right? Hello.
What girl?
What you say?
Boy, I'm watching but
You
you can't hold
hold on, here what we're going. You have to turn down your phone, the volume on your phone a little bit, yeah?
Oh, okay. So you can't hide me.
Turn it down, look a bit more still.
Me no want nobody see my name. You can't hide my name.
If I can hide your name,
Yes.
me don't know, me not do them so.
Why? I want to tell the story, but I don't want nobody know see my name. And a story of bad. It's bad.
Yeah, but
Oh, Jesus.
them said no, them said there is no way to do that,
Oh, Jesus. All right. You know, I'm going to write and you read it.
All right then, write me and read it. Or do it with a fake profile, all right?
All right.
All right then, cool.
I'm going to make one day.
All right.
All right.
Yeah, man, cool.
Take me off.
Yeah, man. People we know it go, One thing with radio, you know have that issue so people just call in and talk things and you see it kind of body now. See no name and nobody and all these things, don't.
Yes, Raga, you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you better now, yeah.
All right.
Talk no?
So, yeah, what go on and get a mix up,
Yeah.
One time, we there with a girl named Yannick.
Okay.
Then,
Yeah.
me and Yannick go on and sing and relationship and thing.
Yeah.
So, them time I live with my mother and my family. Yannick never did a work. But on Rasta man in the yard, I go and look for shop.
Yeah.
So the shoppers, the man I tell her, say, oh, he can't get a little work.
Right.
Understand? You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know them man, them are going to use them things and try to get you.
Yeah.
See me?
Yeah.
So, in my boots, I tell her, say, oh, I can't get a work, man, and bag of thing and use it to get it.
Yeah.
But my sister pick up the rake.
Yeah.
See me?
Yeah.
Get it there, go over the money and bag of thing. My sister tell me what I go on.
Hold on. So she been a go over the Ras yard?
When time I come.
Hold on, no? You hear me?
Yes, man. Time I come to work, man. Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, then. Go on, yeah. Hello? Hello? I don't know how I want me this one. All right.
Hold on.
Yeah, you sound way better now. Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's why I do want to come off of the Bluetooth.
Good, man. You must come off of Bluetooth automatically. All right, go on, talk. Yeah.
So, here what go on now? Sister tell me, say, here what go on live on. Rasta boots up the catty D, say, I give her work. And I invite her over at the time when I go on work. I mean, I'm saying yeah, that I go on, so I tell her, I say, yeah, I go on, pack up your things there, my friend. You have to live up, you know.
Right.
You see me?
Yeah.
So, go on a couple days past, and somebody message me on Facebook
Yeah.
and say, you know a girl by the name of Yanni? I mean, I say, yeah, man, I'm a girlfriend, man. You know, when you're there on Facebook and anything, you show you say you're in a relationship with so and so.
Well, yeah, you have that option. Right, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So, I say, I'm a girlfriend, man. And the girl say, well, she and my fiance is involved. I see text from Facebook where my boy a text the Catty and bag of things. So they meet in a crossroad and one bag of things. So I say, that a go on, what a go on.
Yeah.
And you see that story, they teach the youth them out there. So you see more time when you have what you have, whole what you have. You see me I say?
Mm-hmm.
So I just say, I just go and text him woman too. You see me I say? And 2 twos, me and the woman left town and gone all a country, gone spend weekend.
Well on, are the Ras woman this?
No.
I want different
you. Run away from my yard, you know.
Yeah.
So she a going now and meet a brother in a crossroad.
Yeah.
We see her a ball and thing and I say warm tea and I show sympathy and give number exchange and one bag of things start going from there. So.
Yeah.
Yes, see me I say?
Right.
So so comes the youth, the woman link me on Facebook now.
Yeah.
And I show me say, yo, you know, say me see your woman I text my man and bag of things start going.
Yeah. Yeah.
So one day I just link she up in the same crossroad.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
And the connection going from this until another hotel and bag of things.
Wait, so you carry a go hotel and you well on man, so you carry go hotel and you and her a shellings are going between you and her and thing, no?
Yes, man. They must say a bun for bun, man.
Bun for bun, crazy rinsing, yeah.
Yeah. So you what go on now? Relationship go on and thing and still me and yeah, gone all Portland with her whole weekend.
I lie. When go Portland, go eat Boston jerk. Well, I know you have to listen to me too. When go Portland, when go eat Boston jerk pork and all them something there Portland, no?
I feel real, me come from Raga.
Yeah.
So me have to pass through Boston because I feel real reach me I go to.
So, yeah, man. And give her some nice country loving and all these things, no? Yeah.
Spend the whole weekend in country.
Yeah.
You what go on now?
Yeah.
My boy, I wonder when woman there.
Yeah.
So when time he come back from country now, me there with me and my little brother. Things say me and him alone in the yard. You want knocking on the door. You see me I say?
Yeah.
When time I open the door now, my boy I say, Kelly there now. And me I say, no. But you see through the door stair Raga. Is a step up. So him have the upper hand. So when him pull the door, me not have much force to hold it inside. You see me?
Yeah.
My boy push the door and come in. You see me? And start walk through the place. Kelly goes so boom and jump off of the bed and go in the kitchen, go hide under the counter. But them time the Blackberry around the place or a Blackberry phone up on the bed.
Oh.
So my boy said, Kelly, come out, Kelly, see your phone and fire, Kelly, come out.
Damn, yeah.
And the brother friend have to come for him out of the house and try to restrain him. My boy say I'm going and care for him firearm and bag of things. Them time they live a Mountain View, so I have to call up a couple of my brethren and say, yo, things are going up at the yard, you have to come help me now.
Right.
One day we gone.
Yeah.
And I so comes in take for himself, rather. You see me?
Yeah.
And she goes, I go some woman will follow her, go up at the station and say she want to go report it and bag of things. And she knows him have him peace with you.
Yeah.
And you see from that, me and her left now. But me take over the man relationship thing, me turn her stepfather. And moving, me and the cat here moving together.
Well,
You see me I say?
fame woman,
Some good father, what you mean?
the woman when the one where you carry go Portland and thing or whatever.
Yes, man.
Well,
Me take over the relationship completely, man.
and you turn stepfather.
Yes, man.
Well, but the pitney I never fit him.
I feel man.
I feel him pitney.
Yes, man. No, you see, I think we need to look at it when we come up to here and go and see what you have, what you have.
Yeah.
Here, what do you have and don't be greedy. You see me I say? Because the next man will come mash up your thing where you have built from a long, long time.
Jano.
You see me I say? Yeah, man, that's
Jano.
my piece of Mixup and me I figure out.
Nah, my respect for that one there. So, Jano. You see?
Me and her, they pull up still, you know.
Yeah, yeah, and I pull up
Pull up,
eventually.
because she start relationship and go on for a good while. 8 months hard and she start watch me and them bag of things in one time. Me not even do nothing. And me is a man them time, you see. If me see certain little things, nah stay with you, you know. We take the nagging but to a point.
Yeah.
You see me I say?
Yeah.
So our next girl coming in my life now, I just say, yeah, what go on, my friend. This not gonna work, you know. And me and her pull up.
Well, so only 8 months you and I did defer when you move in with her and all them
Yeah,
something.
man, me and her did for them couple of months, yeah. But them time me a wild boy in a Raga. I call in for the next page already and show me sad story if you can get no voice, you know. And me see one calling about the country girl. The country girl make me all bawling in my sleep, or hold me in my sleep.
What you mean? What other one that go? No, me not remember that one. The other one that they go, what?
Me, they come from St. Came here. With the girl where I got to high school when I meet, just left high school.
Oh, yeah. Remember that. Yeah.
Spend money every week.
Yeah. And our mother link you and I take a food off for you and all them something.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Certain little things that trauma upon we that make we get wild in the future.
No, let me ask you something big and serious though. You didn't really like that be the already just want grind off the man who are grind your ex.
Well,
talk it true.
In the initial stage, because the boy show the boy they say, yo, here we go on. You're going like your bad, but here we go on. I sting in the street just like you. But they grow, you ever hear say you grow for love a person?
Yeah.
Yeah. So feelings start catching.
Yeah.
As me say, me move in with her, man. You don't know you have to be a man to move in with a woman, you know.
Yeah, so you go on yeah, she have a youth you bring her and you must have feel something for her and thing.
Yeah, man. So she was a good girl, man, but sometimes woman can be a 9 in a Raga. Most people know say me a build them time, they are not going on. You know me, I love a boy from them time.
Yeah.
See me?
Yeah. So, no, but sometimes that's happening, you know, when you end up protect somebody from somebody or the person that did a bond for them people and get you and whatever, and really, it's like that you have that little insecure element there where, you know, them still have to get over. Because if you get the person through bonding, you know, after you get the person, you have to think so you can't lose them through bonding, because the bonding make you get them, you know? I think him get,
young boy.
All right.
So, that a mash up.
See.
But me the whole it, but the next girl come and start link with a girl and to date a girl and my baby mother from them all the time there.
Oh, so and that one you last right through.
Yeah, man.
Yes. Okay, all right then. See. So you find somebody and thing. Big up yourself, you know, all right?
All right, right.
Yeah, man. Respect, man. Honor. People big up on themselves, you know, big up all who beard and fret. Man, let's tell me. Me all a fresh in the morning before me do road, you know? And me and them war over here, because them people, them, enough of them come here with them lied self, but them have to be 2 times a day, every day. And I tell them, say, no, I'm not join that. What's it me there, me yard and whatever, 1 time a day is enough. And the bossy people, them over here, man, if you don't be 2 times a day, you know, see and whatever. Listen, when me there Jamaica, enough time, 1 time a day, me be there. And when you grow up at Jamaica, nobody not do this now. I'm telling you from what there is 2 things you usually do when we grow up, all right? One, and most the woman do it. But if you're a boy pitney, you would do it too if you never get forbid, which is tidy. Right? Growing up in Jamaica, you have a thing named tidy. Now, tidy is a basin of water. and you wet up you're not beard, you know, but you wet the rag and thing, and then you rub under your arm and you rub down your so and whatever, you rub whatever this, that a tidy, and you wash your face. No for no, that was a thing in Jamaica for a while, tidy. Now, if you know they are foreign and think I don't know Jamaican culture, you know, you tidy, you know, think tidy is a state, you know, tidy your room, tidy your room. But tidy was an act, it was a verb, it was something you have to do, and it's a type of cleansing. So it's not just wash your face, it's not beard, but you have a base now one time, you have soap and rag, you know, but you're not under shower and whatever. Or the weird thing with that is that many of us grew up a beard out a bath pan. And the way we beard out a bath pan, you wet up your entire body and all them something there, whatever, out of the bath pan. So you that thing say tidy and bearding out of the bath pan, I same thing. But it's not the same thing because you really not do your entire body when you are tidy. When we are grew up a Jamaican, we say we are tidy. The other thing you did have to do, this was big in Jamaica. When we say huge, and it's weird how them cut all this just kind of die out. But when we tell you, say, everybody they do this where we come from a ghetto and country people do it too, you know? I don't know about uptown people. I never been amongst uptown people them time, that's something I don't know. But wash your foot before you go to your bed. Yo, that's something that is big in a man. You wash your foot, it's a thing. You just have to wash your foot before you go to your bed. See, people never say yes, they know what I'm talking about. It was a thing. When you grew up, you have to wash your foot before you go to your bed. And it was just your foot, you know. Wash your foot before you go to your bed. We have to wash your foot. You have to go, if you go to a tenement, you have to go to the cistern and you go wash your foot. You know, some people, them actually go in a, you know, tenement, you have the bathroom outside, so them go to the bathroom and them will just wash off them foot only in the bathroom, but you don't go bed unless you wash your foot. So even if you beard, you know, you could have beard 2 times in a day, you know. When before you go to bed, you still have to wash your foot. And when you beard 2 times in a day, you still have to wash your foot before you go to your bed. It was a big deal. For some reason, it's not a thing anymore. But it's something that all, you know, adults do it to, but children mostly. You automatically do it. You know, with my mother, you have to wash your foot and you have to read a psalm. Don't mess with the psalm, you know, when it comes to Jamaica, and I grew up in a Christian home in Jamaica. You have to read a psalm. You have to read a psalm before I go on my bed. Wash your foot and read a psalm. And you read any psalm, of course, you just look for the short one, them. I have some long one, you know, and things like that. But me did have to wash my foot and read a psalm. I don't mean be it 2 times, you still have to wash. You wash your foot? You wash, let me see your foot. Okay. You wash it with soap and things. Sometimes you don't have to wash it with soap, though, but you just have to wash your foot and don't bring your dirty foot going on your bed. It was a thing, big deal. Right? But now, you know, the day after now and things, so I made it go up on the road, so I have to go on the next shower before I go on my bed later, you know, because I want a shower. But if I did winter, 1 shower a day, I could have talk, when I want to talk, look more. But you know, if you have to do road, you know, you have to go look for somebody or whatever, you have to bathe and clean up yourself and nice and thing and whatever, you know. And make sure so you wash your body properly. Right? Because the ladies, them a complain. Some of the man out there, the ladies, them a complain about you know. Some of the man out beard and now washing the body good and I go against the woman them, you know. I want the woman them do the something them too. And now washing the body them good. The woman them have a problem with it and for stop it. Me I tell you no. Some of the man on for washing the body good, man. Thank God for Miss Cherry. I mean, look a bit, Miss Cherry teach me how to pull back the skin and clean. And me, you look for the something them and thing, but the ladies, them a talk about it, man. Some of the man on now washing the body good, on a beard and now washing the body good. Men, when woman and beard, you know, them put extra tension upon them genitals, you know. Extra tension, you know. Men, enough woman, the soap what they use for them body is not the soap what they use for them face or them chun. So the woman them a got a special chun soap. Special chunny soap. Right? So the woman them a go the extra mile for make sure so them chun clean. And one of a wash on a dirty body man. On a dirty body man out there and whatever. Dirty body. Who remember naughty body? Well, we go up and we have naughty body. No, okay, right. But me and say, so if the men, so if the ladies them out there, right, I go all out. Queen Ash, large up, right? I go all out for make sure, say, you know, them clean up and smell good and thing. And make we keep it 100. Particularly in them days, I know when you don't want a woman to do certain things. Yeah. Wash your body, man. I want a woman to do certain things and whatever. I want to not stay right and whatever. Wash your body, man. You see, when the ladies them know say, una go do certain things, una go face up to the matter. Yeah, una go face up to the matter. The woman them make sure say they're so clean, you know, man. They make sure they're so clean, right? And then make sure say whatever you eat, plate clean, food nice. Right? Yes, and them go all out. The ladies them go all out for make sure it's everything fresh and nice. So that, you know, your food properly prepared and all these things, yeah? So if the ladies them are going to go all out for make sure so the food properly prepared and whatever and things like that. And if you make sure so the naughty body properly, you know, look after it all. You understand? You know, yeah, grew up and we say naughty body and all them things there back in the day, don't? All right? All right, catch your ride. Remember now, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now, all right? If you're not follow me yet, follow me now. Raga is not the body alone. What else? I could tell them right now. What else them not clean? No. Oh, Lord have mercy. Lord Jesus. My mind got... Oh, mouth. Oh, island girl. If you say she body, she said them bottom. Yeah, them not... Oh, okay. All right, see the ladies them I say it, they right, you know. Men, some things on the probably are overlook. Mouth, tongue, clean on the tongue, on that brush on the teeth, brush on the tongue too. Armpit, right? And bottom, and them ears, right? You can't have one woman a push tongue in your ears and thing and I be a wax and sitting in there. And navel. See it there? See there's something them there, you know. Right? Thinking foot. Right? Make sure so now do them something them man. Women particular about them something. Under 20, like I don't know going deep. Yo, they going deep, you know. Behind the ears, yeah. Why big up Miss Cherry, you know? Because when my mother teach me for beard, you know, go behind your ears, you go behind your ears, and proper checkings are going, you know? Yeah. And scrub on the foot bottom. And scrub on the foot bottom. Now, hold on with that. I am for the men, you know, exercising proper hygiene, but that scrub your foot bottom something there, you know. Cause I get one of them something there, you know, and go scrub my foot too hard and whatever, and then couldn't even wear shoes for 2 days and whatever and thing like that. But I want the relative, you know, unless the person have all kind of sitting upon them foot with them, it's obvious for them to take off. But I don't know if that is something that is a big. Ladies, is that a big deal to you if men don't scrub them foot bottom? I don't think so. I don't think that bad, I don't know. Yes or no? Man fi scrub them foot bottom, big deal for no? Yes or no? No, man, I think that is a island girl to the thing say yes. Mirage, look how much yes there is, so. For man scrub them foot bottom. Yo. You know, so when I teach me something idea, you know, me a boy, you know, me look a petty. Me not a regular thing, but you know, every few months or so you get a look a pedicure and whatever and make the people them do them thing. But I wouldn't think that this was a big deal for women. I'm gonna be honest. Me I learn from you right now. Men, every platform Ragashanti go on, 70% of the people who follow me are women. The ladies them follow Ragashanti. So if you want to hear what little detail are gonna make the little difference for you, where women are gonna appreciate you and like you, you come over here and you learn from the ladies. So the ladies say, me I tell you, say me learn something today. Me do my little pedicure and thing and whatever, you know. Regular thing, but me never know, so that was a big deal for the woman them for say, go scrub your foot bottom. Me, you see how much woman put yes? You see how much woman put yes? Boy, I want to teach me something idea, Jano. Me not lie, I didn't know that was like a big deal, like that was a thing. You know, I didn't. Like for real, yo, me never know that. No, honestly, me never know. Well, yeah. And Jamaican men who are born out the, you know, the man them who, you know, who will every now and then, you know, will suck a woman toes or whatever. One, that a go on long time. Two, some women love it. And three, I don't see what the big deal is if the woman keep her foot clean. Some woman them foot just pristine and clean, you know, can them get them petty and them thing. But whatever it's worth, men, may I tell you, as a whole head in the thing, women love it. If you know how to do it, right? If you know how to do it and thing, right? Women love it. By way of a little detail, let me just say, from my research and what I've researched and checked, women love they can love when you suck their toes. A couple of things. This is the weird thing that you have to work out yourself. People do different things, but people can like somebody but just not feel for do certain things with them. So somebody will like something, you know. A woman will like get something, but she just not feel forget it from you. That's something there. So be careful. All right? So if you rush, we go do something and she not feel, leave her, follow her lead, you know. But I don't even know if I explain that part of the tune. But it's just about the toes. Now I have to no, honestly, some women have told me that them no mind the toes, but one woman, two different women, one a Jamaica, one up here. She said then they get to a man and she said when the man comes so and hold her foot, the man kiss up her toe them and she said she like it because she into that. But she said when the man hold her foot in a man and she said Raga, the man just comes so and lick off my foot bottom from the Yo. She said the man hold her foot and she said the man just lick her foot bottom and the bottom come right up or whatever and she said, and then he want to come kiss me after that. I said, but no, your foot bottom. And she said, no, Raga, no so. Him did 2 months when he lick my foot bottom and all them. But I say, you know, say your foot clean and she said, no, you just never look right the way you lick your foot bottom. I'm just saying, I'm just letting you know that women like that. A lot of women like that. But a lot of women don't deserve that because them foot not stay right. And don't go kiss no woman toe but chamba and stay bad. Do not kiss no chamba. Don't lose your ratings, right? If I toe them and her foot not stay right, don't give her no toe kiss and all them something there, right? The woman them will forget them toe kiss and whatever. Them toe must look all clean like them finger and whatever. Because some woman treat them foot just like how them treat them face, you know. You know, Jamaicans very particular about face. Like if you touch them in my face, I war, don't put your hand on my face. Don't put your hand on my face. Hey, dirty boy, you never said I put your hand on my face. Touch them anywhere, not the face. It's very special. But some woman, them treat them foot with the same care when them treat them face. Different soap though. All right? Some of those I said the woman them who treat them foot, so them foot they're nice. But if the foot chamba and chaka and stay bad and plaka, if them foot stay bad and whatever, no lip knowings for the foot. No lippings. No lippings for them foot if them foot stay bad. Them foot, but you go and you work with it, you kiss the toes. I'm just telling you, go for the toes. Right? No bother lick too much on the foot bottom and thing. Them not really, you know, that's something there. All right? Anyway. Well, I learned something today from you ladies, and I want to thank you for it. I didn't know that this was a plethora of yeses. That yes. Men, you heard it here. Women love when you scrub your feet. So them send these little scrubbers at Amazon. You can buy them. Just put in foot scrub, right? And them have different one there and whatever, right? And then you don't do it too much, because I tell them me go scrub and tear up my skin. You understand? And you want just kind of scrub your foot and make your foot nice and clean and whatever. No, not because the woman ever said them want to scrub your foot, you think so them are going to kiss your toes. Them just want to see it and it look good and nice and feel good when you rub it on them skin or whatever. All right? But nobody expect no woman to, you know, some women do, some women don't. And things like that. Anyway, moving right along.
When?
Hello.
I make daddy house.
Why would daddy do that?
You do slap shit?
No,
When did you get done?
when I'm not being the kids are sitting on the stairs because that's why I got house. Slap.
What you do?
Mommy. It's here.
She don't remember. Oh, Jesus.
Sometimes it's like,
And another thing, take care of yourself so you don't become an hater.
Good night, Raga.
Good night.
Now, why we could smile man if you drop fire?
Box me, man. Senator.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
There one time when the molasses ship they used to come in down at Hanover.
When the what? What kind of ship?
Molasses ship.
Molasses ship used to come to Hanover. Okay.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So in them the time they know say cell phone is so popular.
Right.
So the sailor man them know people is grown there and who fit they look that from them. So anyway, me and my sister and two of my cousin them grown there.
Mm-hmm.
So we our cell phone, so we show them the phone now. So when you show them the phone, they call the captain and the captain come.
What
So
we
they
how
want
that go?
call-
How that go about? How that go with show phone?
We
And,
show them a cell phone.
yeah.
So
Who?
we show them a telephone like them want call if you call them family back home. So
Oh,
anyway,
they mean the man them off of the ship.
the man them punish it. Yeah,
Yeah.
Raga.
Okay. All right.
So anyway, when the captain come, him say one call. Then time you know say buy credit put on phone and straight call. WhatsApp and they never there.
Yeah. Okay.
Anyway, so Raga we can't get to go up on the ship now because we have the phone. So they want to use the phone now. We go a shop, go buy credit. We carry them in a Lucy town, go to supermarket. Then go buy Irish potato, bread and cigarette and then something there.
Well, and these are the man them off of the ship who now do this for them.
Half of the ship, yes,
Okay.
Raga.
All right.
So me have a cousin did it. The cousin when one of the cousin when did it, me she look good. I look good, girl. So one of the shipman like her.
Yeah.
So the ship they did it for about 5 days.
Yeah.
Raga on the 4th day now. So we depend there in the night and then they use the phone and sitting. So anyway, after then don't use phone and so because them pay we and say no.
Mm-hmm.
So we say we are come out we are no Raga.
When the three are ready, the fourth one now we can't find her.
This are the look good one?
Yeah, they look good one, Raga, we can't find
And we
her.
can't find her.
So we come off of the ship and we stand up on the pier. Because we kind of suspect what they go on now, because we know so the man like her and she and him attack.
Yeah.
Raga, when she come off her ship, her head raggy. So, Raga.
Well, we say our head what? Our head what?
Our head raga.
Raga. You know, that's the pull up here thing there, yeah, man. Yeah,
yeah, something go on.
Something go on.
So, Raga, when we reach home, because the yard where we live in is like a family yard, the house them is near.
Yeah.
So when me and my sister go in,
yeah,
and she and her sister go in,
yeah.
Then time they didn't know them old time people they didn't have current, but they use early then lock off then light and use then lamp.
Right.
So here my cousin to her sister now. Nelly, turn up mama lamp. Come on, me rich to blood clot, me rich. Raga. When the sister turn up the lamp, the sister say, yo, F.D. that and say monopoly money, them the money no good. Raga, you know what I mean? When the ship them go like different country, Colombia and them the place, they then give some money, we like 10,000, 20,000 mark, but you know say, you know, value not in Jamaica.
Right.
Raga one pile of that, the man gear.
Yeah, because some of them...
Raga the morning early, we get up 5:30, say, we dey go grow on the car, so come now, we know go on, because she feels that we did go beg her money, so she never show with the night. And when she go in, she said to her sister, if you turn up mama lamb, she rich for money.
Turn up the lamb.
Raga 5:30, man, when we grow on the backside, Raga, where the ship, the ship gone.
Listen, you go to some of them place, the man, and you will hear, you want to buy one little donut, and then we say, 20,000 pesos. Right?
Yes,
because that's a money work. A whole heap, it's a high value. So when them just girls and look at sitting that thing and dazzle up her eye, she thinks a whole heap of money down.
Yeah, she said she said she rich.
So what she said, turn up the lamp and what?
Turn up mama lamp, come on, me rich.
Yo, I'm going to see how them put it on her for that little food they do.
Massa.
I be a laugh in them depend when they gone and say whatever this and that, you know. Be a laugh in them depend.
Man, they laugh, you know.
Yes, man. So yes, you know the next one.
Small one now when time I was pregnant with my first daughter.
Yeah.
For her father, you know them big man they were and also full like. So anyway, when he give me money to go do the ultrasound, that time they go Mutual Life, I'm up here. Over the ultrasound place. Raga, when me do the ultrasound, I go to the man. Here the man, me tell him, say, girl baby. So who the baby favor? Who for complexion in get me pussy eye? So me say, oh, me feel no Raga, the man start cause. Imagine say you take me much $1,000 go do ultrasound. I don't know if the pitney get me pussy eye or me brown complexion.
Well, him never have no youth before that.
Yeah, Raga, big youth older than me.
How much him probably...
Well, probably not for them time, then you say all time people they used to do ultrasound.
Yeah, him probably don't know nothing about that something there.
No, I never understand about it.
Never understand, and I said, they check if the pitney get my pussy eye and my complexion.
Yeah, orange brown complexion and who in favor.
Why, ignorance is a hell of a thing. Anyway, big up yourself, you know, all right?
All right, Rocky.
Oh, yeah, man. Then you know, mama. Big up yourself, man, all right?
All right.
Balance, cool. Why, ignorance is a hell of a thing, you know, man. Yo, our brethren, you know, he might bring up his mother from Jamaica, you know. Finally get a visa and thing and whatever. But you don't know. A man where street man, you know what I mean, right? So him have money, you know. So for him think, oh, mommy I come up, you know, she will fly first class, my mother fly first class, and that be a thing in the promote him mother fly first class or whatever. So he book first class ticket for his mother and thing or whatever. So when the mother come up now in a first class, for those of you all know this, who fly first class. them give you some hot towel. Them give you some, when the flight just start, them give you some, before them give them meal, them give you some hot towel. And the hot towel is usually in a fairly nice tray, It's usually it's not unusual for it to be in like a nice silver tray. And they're stacked. Because them a go through first class. It's just first class get it, So, and these hot towels, they're rolled neatly and thing. And them have a little, the flight attendant usually have a little, what you call them, something the way you hold, a clipper type of thing, right? So them will just take it off and then we give it to you, whatever. But it come out like a food. But not a food, of course, it's a hot towel and thing, that tongue, right? So them have it and then we give it to you and whatever. And I like them, because then you just wipe off your face, because them always hot and thing, and whatever, boom. So, then must go over to my boss mother, I must say, Mama, a country Mama come from, and Mama old school, and her son go a foreign, go make life, and I bring up his mother now, and them go so boom now, and woman, take it off, I must say, Mama, and Mama look on it now, and Mama must say, who you get clad for them? Who you get clad for them? Who you get clad for them? Listen to me, look a girl. Who you get clad for them? Who you come back? Mama move to the flight attendant and say, who you get clad? It's in a look a tree, you have the tongue and whatever. Mama never in them space. I say, who you get clad for them? Listen to me, look a girl. Don't pass your place. Who you get clad for them? And dress up that man and make she understand herself, man. You can't come and get the big man clad for them. Oh, you for do that? Nah, not car and whatever, because found me a laugh and whatever, but many of us have had our different versions of that. When you never know something, but you end up in a position where even you're not used to it and thing and whatever. I'm sure, can't remember anything right now, but I'm sure. Yeah, me too. Have look. One of my friend them him come up and thing and him there New York and thing and whatever and I look at Gallus, So I look a link for go over Jersey, And the dog come and the dog I say, cause first him I come New York, The dog I say, yo Raga. So like how when they are New York now, like, if I go to other state, like Jersey, I forget like a visa. I forget visa for go over. I forget like a different visa for go over Jersey. I don't even really think about it. It's reasonable, because, I don't know if Jersey's another country or, whatever, thing like that, so it's either you know or you don't know. Greetings, hello. Why go and call in? Big up yourself, boo. Ottawa, big up on yourself. Greetings, hello.
Hey, good night, Raga.
Good night to you too.
I just want two short stories
Yeah.
about my baby father,
All
my
right.
kid's father.
All right. Yeah.
Okay, so you guys tell me if I'm wicked, because it's just 2 times that I had to be wicked.
2 times you had to do what?
Be wicked,
Be wicked. All right. Make we
take
hear them.
advantage of the situation.
Yeah. Make we hear
So,
them.
me and my kid's father been together since I was 14. My kid's father is just like him because his mom told me her story.
All right.
So this man never take care of his kids.
Right. Okay.
My baby father is the same type of personality. My mom was the one that helped us out most of the time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this man would work, Raga, go to work and never get paid. He was a tiler. The tiler, the construction worker, them that go to work, but pay never come in because always the person them wicked and not pay him.
Well, that he must say.
Yes, that is what he's
That's how
saying.
he must say. Okay, right.
Yes. So one day I hear it in the grapevine that, on the street, that Michael is walking around or told people out there that he just hide his money outside. You understand? Or
Right.
hide his money somewhere.
Uh-huh.
So one day, Raga, I was cleaning and I don't know how God tell me to lift up the rug. When I lift up the rug, Raga, $12,000.
Wow.
Now this man hasn't given me money for maybe 3 weeks. We have 2 kids at that time.
Right.
And no money. My mom helped out, like I said, because my mom is in United States. So she was the one that helped out most of the time.
Yeah.
So what do you think I did, Raga? I took that $12,000. Remember, the man not have no money. He said, Dana, I don't have no money. I didn't get paid.
Right.
I took that $12,000. So my man come home, beard, dress up, ready to go about in business, ready for him $12,000. No money. Come to ask me, did I see $12,000?
And what you
How could
say?
I see $12,000, Raga? You don't have no money, sir.
You don't have no money. You don't have no money.
Which $12,000 you're talking
Which
about?
one? Yeah.
No,
Yeah. Then
I didn't see no $12,000.
Then see me ask you for money. And you me see the $12,000. Would say something to you about it?
Exactly. Me say, he might go tell me because his father passed away
Yeah.
at that time.
Yeah.
So he's going to tell me that he need that $12,000 to help bury his father. Me say, why, Michael, me sorry for you. Me don't know why you doing that $12,000, because I didn't see it. Raga, the man didn't need no money to bury his father. The man is just wicked.
He never need the money to bury his father.
No, Raga, the father and him don't have no relationship. It's like the father passed away now, and all of a sudden he want to go to dead yard. Who knows? I do not know, because I didn't go to no dead yard.
Right.
I don't even. Basically, it was news to me that Michael is going to participate in father funeral. You understand?
Oh, okay. So you
So
said
I think he just want to use that now for me to feel sympathy, to give him back his $12,000. Like I don't have 2 kids and they're alive and need food now.
Right.
His
No,
father
because
is dead.
me fully I support you, right up to when you say, the fact. Because you know them thing they go. If you go contribute a thing to the burial and thing or whatever, is that different?
Understand.
No.
I understand, but Raga,
yeah.
how this man was doing me.
Yeah.
That father dying and he telling me that money was to help his father. No, I didn't see the point. I was blind to your father death.
No, but hold on. So there was nothing there. So I carried him did that job. Him never need the money.
No, his father did pass away for real.
No, but what I'm asking is, how is it that you know for a fact that, none of the money there was for him father in any way?
The money to the man personality, Raga. Okay. It's the man personality why I know that he's just coming up drawing some card. You understand?
Yeah.
Because
like I'm back here with the money, If him hide the money there from me and him have 2 youth for and him now step up and thing and do him for you find the money and thing. What you mean? You hold the money, yes, but when I say, me don't know about the father part though, because them thing they will bet on them some days.
Yeah, Raga, but I'm telling you the truth. I couldn't feel sorry for it, because you don't understand. It's a constant thing with this man. Don't get paid. You understand? Our relationship was like once a month he give me money, and I do mass food shopping, because I know that man is not going to give me money for a long time again. You understand?
Oh.
So when I'm buying food, I buy 1 bag of rice, 1 bag of sugar, 10 pounds of flour, because I didn't eat a lot of flour. I buy food in bulk.
Right.
So that means when he don't give me money, I can at least have food for the kids. You understand?
Right. No, if him never come through, him just never come. So the second one where you do it to him too, the second thing?
Yes, because Raga, This man was my, you know, when I don't know why Jamaican woman we so fool, like we are total yammed. Raga, this man was the worst, and I'm like, oh, I choose this hell, I'm going to die in it. No, seriously, Raga, this was my thing. I believe that I was going to just live the rest of my life. If this man didn't leave me, I wouldn't leave him.
No. But there had to have been something good about him that attracted you to him and that you enjoyed with him. What were those things?
As I said, we started dating when I was 14.
14,
so
okay.
I don't think it was nothing. You understand? My mom was a provider, but not a person that show you love.
Right.
She provide you all the material things, but not love.
Well,
You understand?
I'm familiar with that. Okay.
So, you know those person now that is obsessed about you, like he bomb rush me with love. You understand?
Love
but
bomb,
then
right?
as the year goes by,
Yeah.
he's just a serial cheater. You understand?
Oh.
And he's very charming. Because my mom loved him, you know. He's very charming. He's respectful and so forth. But he wasn't a provider for his kids.
Okay.
You understand?
So what was the second thing you said you did?
Okay, so Raga, you know, you remember that Jamaica we have 4 mattresses, right?
4?
Form mattress.
Yeah, form.
Right.
Yeah, right.
Mm-hmm. So you know, girl want good mattress now, right?
Mm-hmm.
So my sister mother-in-law buy Sealy Pastor P.D. mattress.
Yeah.
And she's like, you know, when you're happy when you buy that, and she introduce it to everybody.
Yeah.
So she like, come try out my bed. And I went down there and I laid down on Miss Shirley bed, and I tell her, the bed fell off.
Yeah.
So me want one of that mattress too, you know,
yeah.
Raga.
Yeah.
So Miss Shirley carry me go down on Barnage Street and Miss Chin. Me no know if people know Miss Chin on Barnage Street, but I want a lady named Miss Chin still now know one man.
Barnage Street in Montego Bay, right?
Barnage Street in Montego Bay,
right,
yes.
Yeah, okay.
He went you saw that in front of Bashko. Anyway, and Miss Shirley talk to them and me take out my mattress, you know, put on money. I wear like I think 3 months or 6 months cash price. You understand?
Yeah.
So you pay money and then you pay off, and then give you a mattress.
Hire purchase, right?
So Raga, I told the man, you know, that it is the monthly payment and so forth, and the man say yes. Raga, me should have known better.
Mm-hmm.
He paid the first. He give me the first money.
Mm-hmm.
Give me the second money. Give me the third money. Then the man stopped giving me money. So my mother pay off the rest, right? So every month
didn't you say it was 3 months payment, Paula?
It's either 3 or 6. So that's what me say, either 3 or 6. So I'm not sure. But my member say he not give me a couple of money, and my mother pay off the mattress.
Okay, all right.
Anyway, so every month me ask him when he not give me the money, Michael, remember say the mattress have to pay for now. If you not pay for, then go come and take it.
Mm-hmm.
The man, like, you know, promises. So this Raga, me I go say 6 months, because I'm not sure. So the 6 months up.
Mm-hmm.
Raga, I took the mattress off my bed and put in my brother room, pan my brother bed, and sleep on the floor. Me tell Michael, say, Mr. Chin, come and take it. Mr. Chin say, if we pay the money, then we give it back to me.
Well, right? Him never living at the house with you. Him living at the house.
He living at the house, but remember, I go to work every day.
So him not pay attention to the mattress by your brother bed then, right?
No, because everybody have their own room. He not really going in my brother's room. You understand?
Oh, okay.
Yes. Everybody have their own room, so he not really going in my brother's room.
Right.
So me just put the mattress on my brother's bed. And my brother, I'm glad to have the mattress on his bed too, you know.
Yeah.
Now we have higher bed, double bed. You know why is when they more bed, higher bed.
Yeah.
Anyway, Raga, I think I sleep on the floor for a week. Because guess what?
With the picnic them? With the picnic them?
No, I picnic them. We have their own bed.
Oh, okay. All right.
They have their own bed. Right. With them bed in our living room. The living room with the picnic them bedroom.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So me and him sleep on the bed until he finally give me the money to go and give Mr. Chin. Then the mattress return.
So him give you the
Because
entire balance and thing,
yes, he give me the entire balance.
then you just
So
go
that
take, and then you just go take back the mattress off of your brother bed and bring
my
it back home.
brother better put it back. Yes.
God.
Actually, you know, hey,
No,
woman can go through some things, you know.
you don't have to do what you have to do and thing, and him kind of, basically, yeah, say him tight, too tight. Yeah, and
I mean, I tell you, I don't know if it was tightness, Raga. I think he was the type of person that know that my mom will provide. So he
oh,
didn't care. You
yeah,
understand?
okay, so, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, so. All right, thank you for them two, then.
You're
Big up
welcome,
yourself,
Raga. Have a good night.
Yeah, man, safety and protection.
Oh, Raga, remember say, I want to tell you Duffy's story.
Huh?
Yesterday, me type, he said, me have a Duffy story. Can you always say you're going to do Duffy story?
Yeah, but I said,
So,
I'm going to do the story
yeah.
next week.
So
Yeah.
the day when you do it, me I go come and tell you Duffy story.
Please do, okay?
All right.
Then. Blessings, man.
All right,
Cool. Yeah, man. Cool. Yeah, I could do Duffy Mixup next week, no? There's always some interesting Duffy stories from Jamaica, no? Always. Yeah. Well, I go on an idea, your greetings.
Hello, Raga.
Hello, back to you, too.
I have a story to give you.
Yeah, kick me over with it, send on.
So, I went to Jamaica like a few years back. I met a guy, right?
Yeah.
So, to me, love my Jamaican man, they met him.
All right, hold on. Turn down your phone a little bit. Turn on the volume on your phone a little bit.
You can hear me now?
Yeah, I hear you a little better now. Yeah.
All right. So, to me, love my Jamaican man. I say, yeah, me go Jamaica, go find a man. Here him come a foreign, right? I'm say me have to marry a Jamaican man.
Jamaican man, you want to say you go Jamaica theme, yeah.
Yeah. Meet this guy. I mean him a talk and Raga him go and come, him wine and dine me. I'm say, yeah, it look like me meet the person.
The right one,
Like
yeah.
here now, we say, all right, we're going married. I'm gonna carry him up. Raga, everything I go on good. Him come, him stay. He was working. Him finally get a job. He must save up him money. We pay for the papers and everything. One day him tell me, say, oh, he want go Jamaica, go visit him mother and him daughter. I say, all right, I pack him suitcase and everything.
Hold on, turn on your phone a little bit more again. Just the volume, just the volume.
All right.
Yeah.
Him pack him suitcase.
Yeah.
And thing. And one man say, go looking at the suitcase. Remember, him get a little job and him say, I save him money, never help, do nothing or whatever.
Okay, because are you pay for him papers and everything and whatever and filing?
Raga, when I open the suitcase, 7,000 US, I just take it out and pocket it. Raga, him never know say the money missing till him reach Jamaica. Him call and ask me if me take out money out of him suitcase. I say, I never know you have money in your suitcase, Virgin. Or me if you know where your money there. I say, maybe when you reach Jamaica, them search your suitcase and them take it out.
And go take
Raga,
it out
I bank it.
And you bank the 7 grand?
Yeah.
So hold on, is it a case where him did that tell us him nah no money?
Lie. Beer lie the boy tell me. Paperwork him want, Raga.
No, but when you said that, lie. Beer lie the boy tell me. Beer lie him did
but
that.
wait, they know. The story get better. So, remember him there Jamaica, you know?
Yeah.
Not a mother and daughter him want go look for. ATI him want go with him woman who him have down there. That time him a planning of going to the military for bring her up. So here how the secret bust out now. 4 o'clock in the morning, I sleep. I see my friend text me. And my friend normally text me at that time. So when I see the text come in, I think something wrong with her. Raga, when me open up the text, no him and woman there party.
Don't at ATI?
Yes. So me send it to him and say, what is this? Hear him. It's just a friend. And I saw him go on in a ear now. When we come back up, me show you say it's just a friend. That time, Raga, me never know him sign up for going to the military, He mentioned it, but I didn't know that he actually signed up, do the test and everything and get in.
Well, on, so him do the test and everything and get in already and never tell you all the time when him did it?
Yes, Raga.
Well, no, him definitely did that go around.
Yeah.
Him definitely did that go around.
So anyways now, when him come back at my place, I tell him I have to leave. Him say, in a week him a leave. But by that time come, a military him a going on.
So I'm gone after the military raga. I never do a better thing than when him graduate and him dep on the ship and gone out to sea. I send a really nice message to him, chain of command, and tell the man, same have woman in Jamaica, him don't help me with anything. Raga, you see the next day, $15,000 US them send, they make him Zell come give me. Back pay for everything. Because remember when you're in a military, okay, you get BAH for your wife and everything, and him not take care of him household.
You get what? What?
$15,000 US, raga.
No, you know
Him
easy,
cost
you
me
know.
go.
Well,
Him cost me come. Him
because
talk about.
you know, say they might take that out of him salary door.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me no business. Him have woman in Jamaica, so that him get. So anyways, so here we seal the deal now. Him a tell me say, oh, I'm not a woman. And oh, when him come off see him want to talk to me and whatever, him friend send forward one voicemail come give me. When him there Jamaica, and I said to the guy, say, up at the hills may I come from, you know, because the girl must say they live up Red Hills. I just send it, go get the chain and come on and give him too.
Well, and who send the voice?
Him friend, him best friend send come give me because him think him was wicked to me. He must say, oh, you come marry him and carry him up and give him papers and everything and him do your so. Use the boy, I use me raga for paperwork.
So
raga?
for him best, so him a confide to him best friend. So
yes.
No, him have him look a cat,
and the best
him
friend
cat
say,
up on
no,
the hill.
him wicked.
And the best friend say him wicked and send you the voice note.
Yeah, raga.
And then you send the voice note over to what?
To the chain of command.
To the chain of command. And when them
when tell them say him not help me with nothing, they make the boys tell me raga. Him cost me go, him cost me come. But raga, guess what? You know, same care up the girl and them have a child now. Married and everything, him still in the military.
So if obviously only they get a divorce after.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Are you did divorce him?
I make him pay a fee too. They make him pay separately out of the $15,000 and I have to pay for the divorce and everything.
Wow. So that's something that go about BAHC?
Yeah, when you're in the military, you get basic housing allowance. So if you're married, you get extra.
Oh,
extra money. Yeah.
Basic housing allowance. BHA.
So them call it, but them say BHA, yeah.
BHA,
so yeah, get
okay.
extra. Yeah, so the boy have pocket the money and everything. I say, all right.
So that's a money for the 2 hours in the military.
Yeah, for your household separately from your salary where you get.
And because you know you get enough benefit from the
military.
Yeah,
and if you have kids, I remember him have a daughter in Jamaica, so I get money for she too.
Then if based on what you do for him and all them something, then
right.
him should have said no, principle, you know. Even if say he might do so and so, make sure him take care of you because look what you do for him, you know.
Right.
The opportunity when him get in the military and he wouldn't get them something that were not for you and them something that
and him get benefits and everything. Enough benefits. Remember, say them not pay for insurance, insurance free in the military.
Yeah.
So him crave a light dog, but I just say raga.
So you
that email the way I send go get the chain of command. Seal the deal, him could do nothing.
So you did get the $7,000 when him go down, plus you get the $15,000 from the military.
Yeah, raga.
Lord God, yo, no, him go wrong door, you know. And what him do when him say him go Jamaica, him say him go look for him mother and him daughter, and they're 80 I splurge with girls.
ATI splurge.
Okay. You see, enough people do that, you know. Them have somebody who them rate and them use somebody to go up for take care of the person who them really want or whatever. It's a tricky thing, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But raga, him could have just said, help me with my papers. Mother said, give me a thing and me help you.
Because it kind of rate him like that, certainly.
Right.
You know? Yeah. Jano.
And then here one now, when him there Jamaica, you know, because you me find out everything, you know, I get to understand, say, the girl did go call me and act like, say, them a friend, for make me not think, say, him and her there. I'm friend said to him, say, you're a wicked boy. If you ever met that girl, call her. But me that wait for her to call me raga, because I'm an idiot. Me know say them there. Because I got done her and empty her like a water bottle.
See.
But show you how them women are wicked too.
What you mean?
Then if she want call me for convince me, say she and him not there.
Yeah, I regular them something that go on all the while, you know. Them something that go
Ragasha
on.
wicked. But
Yeah.
at the end of the day, me never feel bad because when me can't forget about him can't forget about me. Cause I got always remember who help him. No so.
Yeah, well, that's true. No, but if him cool and whatever, that don't mean nothing to them. People who just cool and, you know, just cool when them I use people and whatever, that don't mean nothing to them.
True.
Yeah, that don't mean nothing to them, you know. It's just like, okay, she find out, moving right along, you know?
Yeah.
So them stay. Anyway, big up yourself, though.
Big
Thanks
up
for sharing
yourself,
that one
Raga.
there, yeah? Blessings,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Cool. Kim, Raga change him shirt tonight. And you see them outside, You see on the outside, I'm telling you, you know, I have about 15 of them white linen shirt there. On the too bright. I have about 15 of them. I style me from what I got the same shirt to have. I have about 15 of the white shirt them, and then the tan one them, I have about 3 of them. They're like $25 on Amazon. Very comfortable. You know, have to iron them and thing out them. Very convenient. And when I was in Thailand, and when I go to hot countries, in Thailand, in Ghana, or when I went to Kenya, I went to Tanzania and Zanzibar, these type of clothes are perfect, you know, because at this stage of my life, you know, things just simple for me, you know what I'm saying? Things just simple, me just one thing just comfortable and simple and thing. And so I buy them thing, you know, me buy more than one. So them see me I wear the white shirt, them, you know people them are the same white shirt you have on. Why Jamaican people stay so? When it comes to clothes and presentation, you know, you comport yourself and big deal for Jamaicans, you know, huge. I don't know when a man it got, hey, you know the zone of me in, you know. Suppose me telling us a beer, you know them look a bedroom plushy slippers there where people wear in them house. A beer them me flying, you know. I'm me for tell you, man, yeah. A beer them me flying, you know. Some white people flex, you understand? Comfort. When you reach my age, comfort over style. I mean, you still, if you go out, you know, you have to clean up and thing, but in your general everyday flow, comfort over style. My days are when I wear them big heavy Timberland there, and one time I buy 10 pair of Timberland me did have 10, but me buy about 6 pair of Timberland one time down a Fulton in a Brooklyn, different color and whatever. People, let me tell you something. Timberlands are not comfortable. I don't care nobody wants it. They're not comfortable. You know, matter the thick one, them, you know, them firm and sturdy, you know, but they're not comfortable. But them time their teams did a wear, you know. So me I say, yo, me happy in our teams. People at Jamaicans in a dancehall, we go to one phase where a big clothes, some bigger level clothes, you know. Me tell you some bigger clothes. You know, all have one brand name, Carl Canai. Young people are not gonna know. People in my age group are not know. Carl Canai, some big, thick, heavy clothes. I mean, used to bush out in them clothes and whatever. You'd never get me wear them sitting in, because they never comfortable. Me did I wear them because of them did a beat. Right? And them did I run the place. And me I say, yo, me want wear what did I run the place and think. I am not there anymore. Not the Fubu and them days there. But the other one, what did it come from Australia when me love again, man? Not Coochie. Do I the name? Coochie. No, I don't know why Coochie I come with something. Coochie. Which brand says sound close to Coochie or Cook? No, let me see somebody. Coogie. It's Yo, that was the jam for me, man. Coogie. I love me some Coogie, man. Coogie or Coogie. We pronounce them different way. But I love me some Coogie. When me I tell you, I'm beat them, I buy Coogie for yes till eternity. Them days there, yo, those were the days. But a lot of them, I tell you, them never comfortable. But to mind over matter, yeah, wear the fashion, so you just wear it, right? But see some woman still do them something there. You know, punish yourself in some shows where I kill you know. A murder, you know. And the only some of one time the wear the shoes and murder, you know, walk and up in the shoes, and up, and then when you reach the dance or the party, you straighten up and walk in full of style. Walk good in the shoes. The shoes are bound them, you know. And then walk good until they reach over. Then rest back your foot, you know. And we take off all the shoes and whatever. Yeah, it reach a point now when enough of them woman, you know. The way of wearing the shoes is a must, even though it's uncomfortable, right? People, ladies, me notice this, you know, this has gone on for years, that one here, you know, and I man them listen to me. The way of wearing the right shoes is a must for them. The ladies, them, I buy the shoes, you know, because all the shoes look, but the shoes not comfortable. But other shoes, they have to go with them outfit. So you don't know what the woman them do. When them a buy a shoes now, them have to buy a matching slippers with the shoes off. Them a buy a shoes, they don't need the slippers, you know. But them a buy the shoes, because that's shoes that them want for the outfit. And because them have to wear that shoes there, which is not comfortable, a bun out and clad. There's this thing now where a lot of these women, them have to buy a slippers. We can go with the outfit too, you know. But you can't wear the slippers just so with the outfit. You have to wear the right shoes. And then buy the matching slippers. And at some point, then take off your shoes and wear the slippers in at the event. Right? In at the event. Right? Cheryl bless you and think. We don't know what's that true, though. Yo, pressure pound and thing. If me used to wear Congo, no, me never did jump on the Congo craze, you know, and thing, you know. Me never did jump on it, you know. You know, Slick Rick the rapper and them people that did popularize it and thing. And I think there was a DJ who did into it too, you know. Was it Cutty Ranks? I don't remember. One of them DJ that did into Congo, but that is one of them things that me never jump on the Congo bandwagon. Travel Fox. Yeah. I was a Travel Fox junkie. I had every color Travel Fox you could think. But anyway, the Travel Fox was all about the colors too and things like that. Me did have blue, yellow, red, black, white, brown. We have every Travel Fox. Me did the Travel Fox and me did into Tim's, you know? No, man, Travel Fox were on point, man. Travel Fox, did take a place, you know. When Travel Fox around the place, Jamaicans, which car did I run the place them time? The Maxima. Remember Maxima? Them time they, you know, if you know, hype and thing and you out a road that hustle or money and make and whatever, it's all about Maxima, you know. Them days, the Ballet did I run the place too. Yeah, and Toyota Cressida. Ballet did I run the place too. Wicked. Ballet shoes, them, they take off. Bad. Yeah, ballet shoes were on the more expensive side and thing, you know. Yeah, Maxima. Yeah, Nissan Maxima. Swell Soup Up. And Toyota Cressida. That the digital gateway. Hush Puppy. How you come with Hush Puppy when we are talking about Travel Fox? Hush Puppy a long time, something long before Travel Fox. How you? That the digital gateway. Hush Puppy did that way around Travel Fox time? No, sir. Clarks always aware for Jamaicans. Clarks always aware for working class Jamaicans. But nah, man, Hush Puppy a long. Hush Puppy when me a pick me, man. Long before Travel Fox and them something. Hush Puppy around the place when Bata did around the place too. Yeah, Hush Puppy and Bata, right? Long time, something of them there, right? Hello.
Hi, Raga. I
Hi.
have a question. I'm here doing my job.
You what?
I'm here doing my hair, right?
Well, we get to your voice. Yeah, turn down your phone. Look a bit there. Yeah, you turn on them
Yeah, you
phone.
hear me now?
Yeah.
So
So
I'm here doing something. I'm here. You say Osh Puppy. What is Osh Puppy?
oh, Hush Puppy was. Well, I know Hush Puppy was a brand of shoes. It was a shoes brand. It was a
Okay.
shoes brand. Yeah, because you're not gonna know this. You're not gonna know them something. Hush Puppy was a very popular. When we say popular shoes brand when me a picnic. When me a picnic. So that that long before you even born.
Yeah.
All right then.
Okay.
That
Thank
was
you.
yeah.
Bye, Raga.
All right, that's our word, man. Cool. Okay. So some of these influencers download your shows and post it on their page. Oh, people, this youth here, the youth from the One Love something another. You know that YouTube channel, right? Him gone too far with it now. That's why, sometimes if I listen to him, because some people I say, I'm sure they do that. You hear me tell him, say, all right, do I look a thing and build a thing? All right, me want you to report him. Report him. All right, please, me ask you if you just report him. Find some way to report him. Me I go do it or whatever. The man, he's cycling through, so people do stitch and them do POV, right? And people take a look at something. Everybody do that. People use content and thing. Everybody do that. That's fine. He's cycling through all my content, right? And just taking out these huge swath of my content. And just I put it on Theme YouTube channel. Remember, me over YouTube, with my content. So he might take my content, a lot of it. And again, remember me did say, no, I'm a billing thing and whatever, Ray. People, me make an intro. Me make a special intro. Me, my voice, my thing, my something. Me I'll pay for certain thing. With the intro, when you watch anything, you hear me say, please click the bell and please subscribe and click the bell notification. The man, I use my intro with my voice for my content over Theme YouTube page. I tell people to subscribe and to Theme YouTube page and to turn on notification for Theme. Like the man just gone far with it. The man, him already I use my content, The man I use my intro, him I use me. I tell them for when name the Theme page. Then the time me over YouTube too, I would never do that to anybody else. Never. It's just ethics, and respect, And then you go over him thing now, I bear my content. It's like this man, I just sit down every day and I go through all of my content, them and just I put it. If you go, it name One Love, what name what? One Love, yeah, One Love Adventures, right? If you go over there, a beer Ragashanti, he have one and two look at thing, but he man just a live off of my thing right The man gone too far. He gone way too far. Right? Way too far. I used to show me know how them work. Because them strike him and shut down him thing. So I put several posts over there. I said, dog, take down my content them. If you don't take down my content, them, I'm going to start report all of the thing them to YouTube. And it's easy for them verify, so it's my content. It's going to be easy for them verify it. Because them have code in the content, for know when it was, which part it posts, So it's just parasitic. Again, don't get me wrong. I don't want to look at something. People post and mix up them and whatever, and and then remix them and whatever. That's cool. There's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong. But when you're going to take out 20 odd minutes out of this, 30 minutes out of this, 15 minutes out of this, and him just put the raw, exact content pan theme thing. Him just goes, boom, take it yes and put it right there. And cut out the thing them out and show them and thing and put it on it. And he's not supposed to do that. So basically, him live off of me. But remember, you know, me and him they on the same thing. With the two of them on YouTube, right? So me post my content for people and watch my content. So when you do that now, to the point where two people, you know, there are people who consume my content, but them not really into social media, you know, but them just ragga. Them like ragga, you know. And when I laid them, she said she thought that was my page. And I said, no, that's not my. But she said, but you're on it. So I said, no, I use my picture them. You know, I'm using my image and whatever. But she said, but it's you me here. But I said, yes, but it's not my page. But she said, but it's only you over there. And I said, well, I actually have some look for, but most of them is me. So people are thinking it's a theme page and my page. Of course, I'm going to think that. I use my intro. I tell them to follow that page and activate the notification for that page and things. So, Marvelyn Manning, she said, it's true, Raga. I think it was yours. See it there? He might go post tonight's show before you. You know, that if they do one time. You remember, yo, I've never seen shit like that before, man. Yeah, him do that one time, you know, it's like my show a go on. Like while the show a go on, him screen record part of the show, post that, and just leave a notification so the full show come up and think while I'm doing my show, you know. That's sick. That's just sick. That's like next level friggery, you know? And put live coming soon. He put up him screen record party and say live, like the reciter come. Right? He might do too much, man. He might do too much, right? People even go over there and think I just me, you know. I'm me just lying off on him page. And then the man just live off of me cool, hardcore. You see it, I'm tell him stop on him now. Well, I don't tell him stop on him now, stop, so I might move now. All right, then, not a problem. But people, want to move to him to and report him to, yeah? All right, I will take care of that or whatever, cause send some lawyer language to YouTube, you know? Yes, Fresh Prince, report him. Him got him, you know, other people use my content and whatever. Him just go too far. I tell him stop and him not stop. Him not care. Him bare face with it and things. So people report him for me. And the reason I tell him to report him, I tell him to stop it. I send several things over there to him and tell him to stop, and him not care. And him just a cycle through my content, just my content. You know, this brother over YouTube, One Love Adventures. Yeah, I'm going to do that, you know, Avlo. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. Yeah, so that when I do it the right there, you know? I'm going to do that. Yeah. And just keep it behind me or something and thing like that. No, I'm going to do that for real. And just have it up, you know? All right, people, in our morals and thing, blessings and respect, okay? Cool.